Good afternoon, everyone. We're about to get going with the first of our programme here for the All-Ireland Senior Softball Doubles Final. Tá fáilte roibh go léir higan ócáid speisialta seo inniu I Páirc and Chrócaigh. Today we have our two All-Ireland Senior Doubles finals in the softball code, the men's senior doubles and the ladies senior doubles. So first up we have our ladies senior doubles final, and we're now going to invite the players into the court. First players to enter the court are the current All-Ireland four-wall senior doubles champions from Galway, from the Micheál Breathnach club, Ceannais, and from the Clare Galway club, Niamh Heffernan. And their opponents from Limerick need no introduction. From the Broadford club, Martina McMahon and her partner, Aisling Shanahan. We'll now call on Orla Sheridan to sing Around the Vein.
Shena fina fo atof we al egeren windar slua heart in the run he gui fui void veser shan cheer shin sure fasta ni og for fwyn chiron na fwyn tra anog da heim sa barna bwel legan gwel can voish no sail legan ha shriek Tree lovag nabale shall live cunning around Navi.
Okay, and welcome to the All-Ireland Senior Softball Finals in the doubles today. Our on the Vein sang by Orla Sheridan there. I'm Chris Gavigan. I'm here beside the great Ollie Cassidy. Ollie, exciting programme of matches here in Croke Park today.
Oh yeah, I was singing a bit of Dara on the Vein as well, trying to.
I don't think she needed your help, mate.
Well, I was just giving her a hand, like I was pretending I knew the words.
Are you auditioning for next year?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I could get out the tin whistle.
Tin whistle, yeah. John Cogram would be happy with that.
Oh yeah.
So we've got Galway versus Limerick. This is a
Galway
completely
to
different final
serve.
to last year.
0-0. The best of luck to the Fouriers.
So Frank Daly is going to be our referee from the Nafina club in Dublin.
And we've got Niamh serving for first blood here.
Exciting. 3/4 of this quartet have won an All-Ireland senior title already this year. Martina winning the four-wall singles and Sienna and Niamh winning the
side away.
And that's great power.
Doubles.
That's great power from Martina with the overhand. She hit the front wall and took it off the right side wall with the overhand left and got the Galway girls out there, Chris. It's a great shot.
Aisling Shanahan in her first All-Ireland senior final, partnering one of the great female players of all time, Martina, going for those deep crack serves early.
Like that's a great
one hand off.
Martina.
0-0.
Sienna handled that one now. She was ready for that second one.
Martina, her favourite code is the softball, and
she's setting her stall straight away.
Yeah,
Chris,
straight away she's getting
Mark
stuck into
one serving 0.
I think it'd be widely known that Martina is expecting to be the dominant player here, as Aisling has a hand error there.
Side away, 0 serving 1.
Sienna with a very strong softball background from her juvenile years, Ollie.
Yeah, she was playing when she was younger. Yeah, she was very good at the big court, and it's their first year playing the senior doubles, isn't it? Niamh and Sienna this year. So
one hand off.
They're in their final.
Yeah,
so
they got by in
0 serving 1
quarter final. Unfortunately, Cullen Burke picked up an injury that's going to have her out for a little while, and they had a very convincing win over the Leinster pairing of Jodie Keelan and Aoife McCarthy last week, so well prepped, but it's an opportunity for Martina. She lets it down and hits it with power. Aisling flies the ball and
Side away.
just doesn't get under that.
No,
One
look at the
serving
strategy
zero.
of Galway here now. Niamh is hitting, going up the front of the court, and Ceannais taking all the back. It's an interesting strategy the way they're working it now.
Yeah.
It's different from the semi-final.
Yeah, again, I suppose you can see both right side players try to stick in close to the front wall, and Martina overcooks that a little bit. She gets a little bit of luck.
You okay?
Both teams aren't.
Two
are still a bit
serving zero.
nervous. They're trying to shake off the nerves. Ceannais wouldn't usually miss a ball like that, so that's a good serve, Chris.
That's a good serve. Good deep serve. Once it drops in there into the
Mark,
twilight zone, is easy
three
to call
serving
it.
zero.
There's no coming out of it sometimes.
Just drops in deep. So
That's good serving, Chris. Look at the way it's dropping.
yeah, great serve.
That's a lovely serve.
Anything breaking off that left hand side wall is always going to be a
Mark,
problem if you let it bounce and go across the
4-0.
back wall, Ollie.
That's better from Ceannais, bringing it back deep.
Martina goes with the right overhand, drives it back deep. Ceannais trying to capitalise on it as it comes off the back wall, but doesn't. And Niamh.
Well done by Niamh there. She should go back cross court there. Ceannais. So you can see what's happening now here. The two left-sided players are kind of having a game of singles, and the girls are going to have a cup of tea. The two right-sided players. So
Now,
it's,
do you think that actually
well, I'm going to put on the
That's a
kettle
great
for them
shot.
now.
well picked from Niamh?
Yeah.
Really good footwork. As Martina drives it down the left, as Ceannais resets and goes to the right overhand. Now Ceannais
That's a
devastating
good
off
kill.
the back
That's
right.
very good off the backward from Ceannais. So the plan is working so far.
One hand off.
Yeah, this is
Four
tight. It's
serving
hard to-
zero.
No one's really put the foot down yet. They're both feeling each other out.
That's a powerful serve from
That's a
Martina.
great serve. And
Dropping onto Ceannais' left hand.
Yeah. Martina's stroke
Mark,
is really,
5.
a real good 60 by 30 stroke, isn't it?
5
Just
serving
breaks
zero.
off the side wall deep. She does it again. That's going to be a hard one to return.
That's
but she
going to
gets
give
it back
trouble
up.
now. That serve for the whole match.
She'll
She'll be
disappointed
annoyed at
with
missing that
yeah.
one. That's her
Side
signature
away.
stuff, Chris.
But you gotta say the serve was really good.
0. Serving.
Yeah, but she wants to
5.
be making hay with the return. Like, you know, she got a
Yeah.
lovely return there. Usually she'd murder that ball at the return. It's a good serve from Niamh. Oh, wow!
That's an unbelievable
With
shot.
the offhand, with the right hand. That's some kill
Second
from
hand,
Martina.
0,
She lets
5.
it drop all the way down and murders it in the bottom of the wall. Jeez, and I was just admiring Niamh's serve.
Again, good covering from Martina. Niamh getting in close to get away with it.
That's the power.
Can't leave it up in front to Martina.
Side away. 5-0.
So Aisling going for that breaking serve
That's a
off
great
the left-hand
serve.
side. And
Good recovery from Martina. Great power from Ceannais pushing Martina back.
yeah, it's very much a 2-on-1 game at the moment. Galway not really isolating Aisling on anything at the moment, but
Yeah,
it's
the
a good
two.
pick from Martina.
It's very unusual for the two girls. They're spending a lot of the
That's a
time.
really-
The right-hand girl side, they're spending a lot of time in the middle of the court,
Yeah.
up front in the middle.
6-0.
Usually it's up front on the right-hand side, but it's unusual tactics now.
Ceannais sitting very deep though. So far.
Yeah, and that's the wrong place
That's
to be.
It's not an effective place to be in the
Yeah.
60 by 30. And you see where Martina is trying to camp at the lines. So if she has to go
Mark,
back, it's a couple
7.
of steps back. If she has to go in, she's only a couple of steps in.
Yeah, I think it's important for the Galway girls if they want to have a chance not to play 40 by 20 in there, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If you go playing 40
One
by
hand
20
off.
in the 6 by 30 court, you'll be punished. Martina will punish you like.
But she's such
7
a seasoned 60 by
serving
30
0.
player, and again, ball with a fair amount of power. There's a long way to go in this game yet. And one serve can change the trajectory of this game, so Galway.
Oh, what's a great kill. That's a
Great
lovely
finish.
shot. She got her feet there set and she wound up.
8.
Watch this again in the replay. Got wound, and they're hard ball to get. Lovely shot. They're hard, slow ball to get sometimes, Chris, hanging. They can hang in the air like. That's a good shot from Niamh. Good spin on it. Good retrieving.
It's another opportunity for Martina. Oh, she hits her own player.
Check the ball.
Yeah, it spun out in her. It was spinning that. She was
Check the ball,
ready
Niamh.
to murder it, but it spun to the left a bit. That ball, and she
0,
misjudged it.
serving 8.
That's a good serve
Still
from
an
Niamh.
8-0 lead at the moment, and Galway looking to try and get some momentum, I suppose.
Look at that,
That's
Chris.
a great finish.
Like even if you are there at the corner, the angle it'll put you off. That's a lovely
Second
shot
hand,
from Martina.
0-8.
That's
She's hit form.
she's
Hitting form now.
It's a good pass as well. Let's see. You
That's
can see
great, that's great.
Martina
Great
is
play.
really dominating this game so far, Ali.
Yeah, I think the
Side
Galway
away.
girls are getting caught playing 40 by 20 in there. They're not
8,
cutting off the
serving
ball.
0.
They're not pushing Martina back. You know,
Yeah.
Martina's dominating the lines.
I just think that their strategy at the moment, I can understand why they're going for it, but they're actually not covering as much ground as they think they are. See where Niamh is now, she's leaving the whole court open on the right hand side. So Martina will probably go for the corner, and that's, yeah.
It's
So
a lovely
again,
shot. She wound up. She wound up here. Look at the replay. She used
Mark,
the angle.
9.
Yeah,
Niamh
like-
was caught. I think they're caught playing 40 by 20, Christie's the Galway pair.
yeah, even if they're playing in an I formation, I just don't think they might be. It's clearly not working so
One
far.
hand off.
You know, I think that Ceannais is just playing a little bit too deep.
9, serving 0.
So Martina gets into serve at 9-0 up in the first game as she drives it off the side wall and puts Ceannais around the house, and Martina using the power. As that
Mark,
ball just
10.
jumped into Niamh's chest there. Martina switches up her serve and goes to her left overhand serve this time,
That's good fair play now. Fair play.
Thank you.
making a fair call. It's hard being Aisling
0,
in this
10.
situation as well.
Sorry?
Like, it's hard being Aisling in this situation, having to really be tuned in, not hitting a lot of balls so far. You know, it's tough being on that
Oh, it
right
is,
side
it
doubles
is, it's
player
hard to
when you're
play.
not getting a lot of ball. It's a good fly shot from Aisling. And Martina comes back over.
That's a
a
good
good
kill
shot
from
from
Ceannais.
See how Galway get off the mark.
Mark, 1. 1, serving 10.
That's a good serve from Niamh, dropping into the right corner.
That was a good serve, all right, and that's up, and that's gonna.
Awkward
go-
ball
that's
dropping
a
into the
dirty
back
ball.
wall. They're hard ones to get back, Chris.
Yeah,
One
and
hand
sometimes
off.
it's just good to get your hand on it, isn't it? Like,
1, serving 10.
kinda- so Ceannais, they're looking to find some sort of weakness from there and trying to isolate Aisling, I'm guessing, but they haven't got it so far. As Martina reads that really well, drives it down the right. That's a really good shot.
Just Martina's really showed up today.
Side away.
She's shown
10,
all the
serving
skills in
1.
the 60 by 30 so far. As Martina winds up, goes through the corner. Niamh
Lovely pick from Niamh.
did well to get in there.
That up.
That was
Yep,
up.
that was good. It was good.
That was good.
One hand
Frank.
off.
So it looked weird because it
10,
popped up.
serving 1.
So Ceannais goes to her overhand, drives Martina into the back court, and she returns the favour. As Sienna right back into that back Ryan corner, and then drives it down the left again. It's an opportunity for Martina though. Oh,
That's not like her.
no, and it probably
Side
just
away.
popped up a little bit too easy.
1 serving 10.
As we get we get back into the serve, so Niamh Heffernan drives it out, but again ends up being a straight ball down out of the back wall, and Martina puts it around the corner, drives Sienna back into the backcourt again, and that's Galway moves the needle.
2 serving 10.
Martina be a bit disappointed she didn't do a little bit more with that high opportunity. So Martina drives it into the backcourt again, and that's well dug out. But as I said, it's tough when you're on that right side and you're isolated for a while, Ollie.
Yeah.
Mark, 3 serving 10.
Shanahan was there. Like, I'd like to see Sienna going for the corner more, like Martina. That's a good serve. When she's killing the
4
ball,
serving
because the
10.
angle puts them off a small bit, even if it's not fully killed.
Yeah, Galway's settling a little bit into this now. So they've picked up the last 3 points off Niamh's serve. That's
Gone.
That's a hand away.
Second hand. 4 serving 10.
Both of these teams looking for first All-Ireland senior talent in softball coach, Ollie.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. That's good serving. That's hard to do, Chris.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's very good serving.
5
Sienna gets a
serving
correct
10.
serve. I suppose the complicated part of that is that Martina's a little bit unsighted with the positioning of Aisling.
And Galway's strategy is starting to work now, Chris. They're back in this match, like. That's 6. Like, they're back in the game. The strategy is starting to. They've changed the serve and they're
Mark,
coping with
6.
with the onslaught of Martina.
Serving
Like,
10.
you know. And Aisling is playing well. It's her first final, senior final. So she's a big job to do, Chris.
Big job to do.
And she's dealing with the pressure fairly good, like.
Yeah. That's a good shot, though.
Yeah, she corrected. She was off-footed there, and she corrected it with a
Side
lovely
away.
shot. She took her time.
She just readjusted her footwork there and
10
gave her enough space to
serving
pop
6.
that up. Now, can Aisling get a serve going? She's serving very well. Martina goes back into the backcourt to dig that out. And again, Martina covering an awful lot of ground here. You've got to wonder, is that going to be sustainable for the whole match, Ollie?
Yeah, it's an interesting. The two girls are up front, and the Sienna and Martina are in the back. So it's a game of cat and mouse, really. So who's going to outfox each other? Like,
That's a great
wow!
shot. Sienna.
We mentioned earlier, Martina's up for. Well, Sienna's up for too.
Second
Yeah,
hand.
Sienna loves it off the back wall.
Yeah,
She's
she's very
got
good.
really
10
good
serving
back wall stroke,
6.
and I think that's her 3rd kill off the back wall so far in this match. She hit a good two of them in the semi-final
That's
as
an
well.
awkward
so
serve. That's a great serve from Martina.
yeah,
See, Martina has that ability. She can change the game up. She's an array of
Mark,
serves in
Yeah.
the
11.
toolbox.
11 serving 6.
so she
Sienna
drives off
adjusted for that.
side.
That was very good. Well read from Sienna.
Good covering by Martina. You gotta say it's good teamwork from the Limerick pair, because Aisling was set
Yeah,
up
it's
to
good
pull on that
communication,
and
yeah.
12.
then
12 serving
got rid of
6.
that idea when Martina called. Martina is complete control of that team in a way, like, so that's a good serve. But comes around the corner. Drives it down the right. It's a good pass, but there's an opportunity off the back wall. She absolutely stone rolls it off the back wall.
Jesus, yeah, she's given an exhibition here on Killen, and so is
Mark.
Sienna. The two girls are really.
13.
Murdering
13
that
serving 6.
So Martina McMahon gets it high off that
Oh,
side
good ball.
one.
Well picked
again.
out from with Ceannais with the left
really
hand.
good footwork from Ceannais.
She went for it.
Yeah, just dropped short.
Mark,
I suppose
14
there's a lot of pressure on
6.
Ceannais to make it count from out deep. She hasn't really been at the lines or close to much in this match. That's hand there from
Side
Ashley.
away.
Ball
6
at speed.
14.
So it's 6-14.
So you can see the strategy here. They're trying to keep it away from Martina's left hand
Yeah,
because she's dangerous with that left.
it's a good shot as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, so they try and take the setups from the right, forcing Martina to use her right
7
hand.
14.
You really don't want to give Ceannais a straight ball off the back wall.
That's loose. Martina's going to go for it.
He picks it out. That's it.
Oh, good ball. Well picked.
Okay, well, good patience from Ceannais on that shot because that felt like it was an age that was dropping. So Ashton goes in and flies the ball.
That's a very good shot from Ashley. Keeping going in the back court.
Ashton's been very consistent with that fist from shoulder height.
Yeah. That's a good shot. Great shot.
Ashton just didn't commit to running in there to pick that up. Just a little bit flat-footed
8,
there. She started
14.
moving at the start. But
Well,
just
I suppose she
maybe a
didn't
little
think
bit
it.
of confidence maybe.
I suppose she didn't think it was she'd make it. Like it's an unusual shot for Ceannais to go for from that distance. So
She was probably half thinking Martina was going to be there. Martina's been everywhere so far.
we're not
9.
giving up. They're back into serve
14.
now. 9-14.
You just have that feeling though Martina could reel off 3 or 4 points at any time.
Well, that's her style.
So it's a straight serve from Neve. Yes, Martina drives it out deep again.
That's a good shot. It's an awkward one.
That's a good shot.
Yeah, Martina really using the corners and
One
the
hand
angles.
off. 9 14.
Well got from Martina now. She did well to stretch for that one. Oh! She's not going to give it back, Chris. It was a
If
good
you look
fluke.
at she was just standing there as well. She's posing while
Yeah,
she
she knows.
10 10 14.
Sometimes you can't buy luck. Martina goes down, drives it down the left. This is another opportunity. Will she go down the left? She goes down the right this time. Goes for the
that's a
bottom.
great
That's
shot.
a great shot.
The
Right.
spin on that, the lovely spin with the side arm
Just
there.
had so much time to assess where the Galway players were. She could see where Ceannais was. She's
Side away.
never going to make that ground.
But it looked like it was going straight down the left and it kicked and went down the middle. It was a
14
great shot.
serving 10.
And Ashley was kind of half covering Neve, so she couldn't see it fully. So it was a very good shot.
It's a good serve from Aisling. Aisling served particularly well in this first game.
Yeah.
Any opportunity, she's picked up maybe 3 or 4 points out of that serve. So
Yeah.
15
she keeps on
serving
adding to
10.
that. And she drives it back out into the deep court again. And Ceannais goes to the overhand shot.
Oh,
and
good ball.
One hand off. 15 10.
So Martina McMahon into serve at 15-10 up.
That's a great
Drives
serve.
it deep off the right hand side wall. And then good passing shot, clipping the left hand side wall. This is an opportunity for Martina to go for it. She leaves it up about a foot and then goes down, straddles the ball as it goes past, but the referee lets it go on.
It was the right shot, really. It was going off
it was
the
the
fly.
right shot. It's just the wrong stroke. If
Mark,
anything. She
16.
hit it up shoulder high
10.
as Conor McElduff has decided to wink to the camera, giving all the ladies what they want.
Yeah, he's like Elvis Presley.
Like Elvis, all right.
Mark,
I'd say he's
17.
older than Elvis now, is he?
Oh no, he's in his prime. He's
17,
in his prime.
10.
Queuing up. He's like the Pied Piper when it comes to the ladies.
Martina,
That's a great
good
serve. It's so hard to cut that serve off, Chris,
Yeah.
because she's dipping with spin off the
18.
sidewall.
10.
As soon as it kicks off that sidewall, you don't know whether it's going to come straight or if it's going to go to the right a little bit. So, again,
That's a good shot from Ceannais.
I shouldn't be
Lovely off
disappointed,
the
but
shoulder.
Side away.
This is a long way back to if Conor are
10.
going to win
Serving
this first
18.
game. So, Niamh Heffernan drives it down the right.
That's a great shot.
Ashton was there, but
You see what I mean by the corners, Chris?
Yeah.
Ashton is there, but the angle is a killer.
Just,
So,
yeah, it just runs away from you.
so if Ceannais goes for the corner kill rather
Mark.
than the straight kill, it doesn't have to be
11.
perfect.
Serving
Yeah.
18.
One thing I'd say is that neither the Galway girls are going for. They both go for a straight serve down the right, and nothing's breaking off the sidewall. So you think that
12.
I suppose that strategy worked in the semi-final.
12 serving
Everything
18.
was going down the right, and they were punished in the return. But it's they're playing a different brand of style of players as well. The style is different from Limerick.
I think that's a great shot from Martina. Just the
Second
way she winds
hand.
up, strikes straight through the ball, and then passes it past Niamh.
12.
Whereas
18.
Niamh did get a hand to it, but it's always going away from her.
That's a different strategy, from Ceannais, going for the
Yeah.
overhand. Big setup here from Martina. What's she going to do? Murders it down top of Niamh. Well done, Niamh. Niamh did well to get that
Did
ball.
well because she hit that with pace. This is a big
Awkward
that's gonna be
ball.
an awkward one. Oh, Ceannais tried to dump it in.
Side away.
Niamh
18.
gave the
12.
referee a look there, but not much the referee could do about that because he's down the court. Okay, that's dropped in. That's going to be up. Oh, no, it's not.
One hand off. 18. Serving 12.
Martina McMahon, 3 points away from this first game. She goes to an overhand serve off the Ryan side, and that's a.
That's not like
Yeah.
Ceannais to miss
No,
that. Like.
and
Mark.
it's a stroke that she's very good at with the overhand.
19.
Disappointed in that. but
Serving 12.
Again, Martina showing that.
Niamh decided to take that one. Very good
Martina
shot.
just didn't get that serve deep enough.
Yeah.
As
12. Serving 19.
I think that was a little bit of a last-minute decision by
Yeah.
Niamh but she got her hand on it, and it worked.
Okay, so she's changing tactics now. Going to
Yeah, again,
Martina's left hand.
but she's got to
Second
break
hand.
it deeper
12.
if she's going to do that
19.
serve. She's got to make sure that it's maybe within 3 feet out from the back wall if she's going to do that.
Mark,
Martina be disappointed.
13.
Yeah,
that
she
there.
lashed it that last time that one.
13.
It's not like her.
19.
So 13-19. This is going to come around the corner.
Awkward ball dropping for Niamh. She gets it. That's a good shot
with
from
a good-
Martina.
Yeah, a good driving pass. Again,
19.
There's a bit of,
13.
there was a bit of spin in that. She forced the ball to go down the walls. It's a lovely shot.
that's a good shot. Again, big step up for Aisling today.
20. Game ball. Serving
she's coping well
13.
with it.
Her first foray into senior handball was last weekend, and she's coping very well. It's just showing good 60/30 fundamentals. Opportunity for Martina. She drives it down the middle.
That's a lovely shot from Ceannais with the spin with the overhand. She kicked off the front wall.
Yeah.
It's going to be played again. If the ball goes
Play
outside
over.
the court, it's played over. If it bounces over the back wall.
Score is still 20, serving 13.
Still 2013, as Frank says. Frank is gas. He likes to entertain the crowd as well. He looks out.
He's a born entertainer.
Yeah,
Sure.
he's like you, Chris.
Oh, I don't know about that. Don't know if I have the chops for that. Anyway, Martina just drops that short. So a game point.
One hand off. 20, serving 13.
2013 in the first game. I'll say this has been quite dominant for Martina. As Aisling drives it down the left again. This is going to be an opportunity for Martina. Will she finish it off here? Well dug out by Niamh. That's gone
Just
down the
some
side
power.
door, and that's the first game to Limerick.
I think that's great power.
Comprehensive from Limerick so far. Martina showing all the skills so far of this first game.
First game. Show us with the ball there, Martina.
Got to give a shout out to Roisin
Keep it
and
under the
Aoife
oxer.
Mackin, who are watching
that
in
for the
Limerick.
league.
Their father is doing all the photography here today, so we have to keep him happy because he
very good.
he makes us look good sometimes, you know.
Oh yeah, we've
Stephen, but
the good clothes on today as well. The Sunday going to mass clothes on. So
yeah, but they're watching at home or they're watching down in Limerick. They're obviously on their holidays from
definitely.
Kildare. But what do you think of the first game so far, Ollie?
I think Galway are playing 40 by 20 in there. They got caught letting balls going back and letting too much back. They need to push up to the lines and take the game to Limerick from the lines.
Perfect. We're going to be back with game 2. I'm going to try and find someone to have a chat with in between these first 2 games, this first game and the second game, and we'll be back in 2 minutes. I'm here with Gavin Buggy. Gavin, we'll just do you want to just step here to me? First game over, comprehensive from Limerick. Martina showing a lot of the 60 by 30 skills. What do you think Galway would have to do to get themselves back into the fight here?
I suppose the Galway girls are very talented. I mean, on the face of it, they're kind of playing front and back. I mean, it's very obvious that I think that if Niamh decided to play the right more and Ceannais played the left more, I think they will be better implied. Now, whether they're going to do that, I'm not sure. But I thought, I mean, they were 13 or 14. I don't think it's a foregone conclusion. It's Aisling's first final. She has to be inexperienced in the greater scheme of things compared to the 2 Galway girls. So, I mean, I think, you know, maybe their lack of 60 by 30 games over the years has shone through a little bit in the first, but I think they played sufficiently well that they could, you know, mount a bigger challenge in the second game. I don't think it's a sealed deal by any manner of means, yes. Like Sienna Nicarine is a fabulous player. She has great overarms. They probably just looked that Martina is more adept in 60 by 30. She seems to just know instinctively to when to pull on the ball, when not to, and her overall game from playing 60 by 30.
It's definitely the strategy thing that you talked about. We were talking about the same in commentary, that it's actually quite noticeable when you play front and back, it's too much space to cover.
Yeah, like Niamh to me was caught out 4 or 5 times because there was a big gap on the right hand side, and equally if I think there was a couple of balls came around the court and she couldn't get over to the left, whereas they definitely would be better employed playing the sides. I think they kind of like their partnership will be like in small alley they play 40 by 20, they play sides a lot more effectively, so obviously there's more room in 60 by 30, so it's going to be a complete negative for them. I think if they just readjusted, now they seem to be down there on their own, whether they'll come up with that I don't know, but it's fairly obvious to anybody a 60 by 30 person that they would need to just readjust their positions, and I think that they're very talented. They could easily get back into the game if they just kind
Tell her
of
to come
maybe
in. We're going ready to go.
readjusted, as I said.
They forced Martina into covering an awful lot of ground, but you got to say Aisling served particularly well. One thing I think the big difference between the two teams in the games was how well they served. The Limerick pair served compared to even Sienna have a plan obviously to drive Martina down that right side and keep her in that right corner, but like a breaking serve is very, very strong in 60 by 30 handball.
Yeah, like I mean, if you look at the Galway girls' serve, Sienna has such a fluent overarm that she didn't really employ an overarm serve. They kind of came with a lower, I suppose, attacking serve into the right hand side to try to target Aisling. Now, Aisling is well able to play as well. Martina left her a little bit isolated. I would just maybe like to see her, I suppose, encouraging her to play that little bit more, because she is young. She's an up and coming player, and maybe I suppose Martina's maybe so focused on trying to maybe play her own game and maybe play the sides, that if she encouraged Aisling that little bit more, they were the two obvious things for me: the positioning of the Galway girls, and maybe Martina, if she encouraged Aisling to play that little bit more, it'd be easier for Martina then to command the court. But as it is, she's kind of trying to play both sides all at the once, if that makes sense.
Well, look, it'd be an interesting second game, no doubt. Can you call a winner?
I don't think it's beyond. It's not a sealed deal yet. I don't think.
We're going to go back to the game. Cut back to Ollie and Chris in commentary. Thanks, Gavin.
Okay, we're back live here again. Excuse me. And Galway lost the first game, and we're back for game 2.
We'll play it again.
Oh, when Frank played again, I thought the ball was going to drop.
What?
I wasn't going to make the
Well,
front
it was
myself,
going that
but
way, so we're going to play it again.
I think it's hard to see it up
I'm
there.
going to play the ball again, okay?
Sienna isn't too happy.
0-0.
So Frank said play it again, but not easy to see, I suppose, Frank up there in the bird's nest. That might rile Galway up a bit. That's
It's a good finish.
Yeah, it's a lovely finish from Martina. She's great control of that backboard.
Mark
She sets
1.
up and lets the ball drop, and it's textbook. Awkward ball.
Loose shot by
Side
Martina.
away. 0-7.
Yeah, it's not like her. She's smiling to herself. She's kind of rubbing her hamstring a small bit now. Hopefully we won't mention any injuries, Chris.
No, you've a habit of that.
Yeah.
You see them early.
Yeah, I don't want to see that happening now at all. That's a lovely
good
shot from Sienna. And Sienna's revved up for this. She wants this.
Mark,
She knows.
together
Yeah,
a
Joe,
1.
sometimes a few
a
words
lovely
with
shot.
the referees, no harm either.
Yeah,
Might just get you
it
focused.
shows that she's interested. Like it's no harm.
Well, Ceannais is a winner. She does not want to lose at all. That's an opportunity for
That's
Martina,
better.
though.
That's better for Sienna now. She flew that one.
Yeah.
She moved up and flew the ball, and she's putting again. She's putting. You don't give the Limerick girls
Mark,
time to set
2.
up them when you fly the ball. So
In talking to Gavin between
2
the games there,
serving
Ollie,
1.
he was saying that, you know, Niamh playing inside and Sienna staying outside. Much like what we were saying in commentary here, is too much space to cover.
yeah,
Mark,
I think
Have
3.
to cut the ball off.
yeah, I think Niamh should be more up to the right hand side and cutting the ball off, and let Sienna do the back court if they want.
But even
you know.
but she
3
needs to
serving
almost
1.
push up nearer to the lines as well.
That's what I'm saying. But to
Yeah.
fly the ball, yeah. But like Niamh has to stay out in the middle. She's playing the game from back the left hand side.
Yeah.
I think they should be. Anyway, sure. I suppose it's easy to play the game from out here, Chris.
True.
That's
True.
why we're out here.
That's why we're out here.
4.
So
Look at them two gurus. Jeez,
There
we're
we
looking
go.
well. The Sunday mass
4
closing
serving
us.
1.
Looking well now.
there we go. So Niamh Heffernan goes to an overhand serve.
5 serving 1.
So 5-1 here on the scoreboard. It's a better shot from Aisling. As
Good recovery from Niamh.
Good
She
for
could
work
see
from
that Sienna was out of position there and she ran back for it.
That's a good shot from Martina.
Yeah, it's just-
She just read it well and just gave it
One
enough
hand
gas
off.
to think Niamh had a
5
stab at it,
serving
but
1.
She's a lovely natural stroke hitting the ball too. Even if a ball bounces, it stays down. She comes over the top of it, forces it down. It's a lovely shot.
She is the current Irish Nationals champion.
1 serving 5.
Said she's moving a little gingerly on that left leg.
But a good serve. That's a very good serve from Aisling, like. Very good return too from Sienna.
Aisling pokes it out into the deep court. Sienna with an opportunity off the back wall, goes for the corner. Aisling's there. Oh, she just doesn't get a hand on it.
See what I mean by the angle, Chris? If you
One
use the
hand
angle,
off.
even if you're there, it's hard to judge that
Yeah.
angle. Whereas it's very good play there.
1 serving
Sienna.
5.
So Martina going to an overhand 2-wall serve, I'd imagine. She drives her across the back wall. Sienna puts her back in the back court. That's great power from Martina. She comes over the ball, kicks it to the right as it comes off the back wall.
2 serving 5.
It's Sienna hits that. Should be hitting a loose shot there.
3 serving 5.
Awkward ball. Good recovery.
Good drive down the left.
That's a
from-
great
from
pass
Martina.
down the left.
Again. Just hits
4
it with the
serving
fist, comes over
5.
to the right hand side of that, just made it go straight along the sidewall. That's a good serve as well. Well dug out by Sienna, but it's an opportunity for Martina. She's gone down the left.
It's a good shot by Niamh. It just popped up though. It was the right
That's
shot.
an opportunity, and that goes around the corner.
That's some spin. That's some
Niamh.
spin. See, it's a different spin than the 40/20. Niamh is
Yeah.
used to
Together a
the
5.
ball coming off the sidewall.
Yeah, that was again. That ball was going around the house to her, and to be honest, Sienna probably should have been able to read that and come in. That's down.
Not up.
It was well done.
It's 6 serving 5.
Frank knew by the sound of it. So Limerick take the lead in this second game.
That's an awkward ball. That's a great
That's a
serve.
great
Look at
serve.
that.
Unbelievable.
That's a brilliant serve.
Like, as soon as it dips off that sidewall,
7 serving 5.
She's going for it again. Look at the spin.
that one's going to be an
It's
awkward
so
one as
hard
well.
to read. Like she's there to murder this return now, Chris. Look, bang.
That's an unbelievable shot. It's great handball.
Yeah.
It's so relaxed.
That's Martina at her best now. That's what she does.
8 serving
Yeah,
5.
She makes that game look very easy, Ollie.
Look at that serve again.
Putting
It's a good return
Ceannais
from
on the
Ceannais.
back foot. And it was a good return considering with the serve, but Martina going for a 2-0 pass, goes out to the back wall. Aisling passes over her head and
Bit of luck there now.
jams up in the back corner.
Side away, 5 serving 8.
There's nothing really in it. Like there's good rallies in the
There is.
score.
Yeah.
You know. I think the 4 players are really adjusting to the big day as well. The final, you know.
100%.
And leave under. That's what she has to do. That's a good shot. It's the right shot.
It's the right shot.
But just
One
missed
hand
it.
off.
There's a bit of spin coming down it, like.
Yeah.
But she was in the right position.
5 serving 8.
It's a hand error though, and it's a hand error that Galway don't need at this part of the game with 5-8 down, a game down so far. So Ceannais
That's
goes
better
to
from Ceannais going for the fly.
his knee, goes to drive, but that's going to be on Martina's left. Martina doesn't miss those.
No, she didn't miss that at him at all. When she's set up, she takes the bun, and you have to take the bun, Chris.
8 serving 5.
Ceannais drives it deep into the left hand corner. Martina returns the favour into the right, and then uses, just flattens out, hits it shoulder height, but then you see here she just flattens it
9
into the
serving
corner.
5.
It's a really good shot. That's
That's
going
a
to be a
great
breaker.
serve.
That's a great serve.
That's one thing about Ashley. She's doing it throughout the match. She's serving very
breaking
well.
serve.
Very
10
well.
serving 5.
That breaking serve has won a lot of aces over these 2 games so
Look
far.
at this again. It's such a hard serve to only for Ceannais good overhands. It's such a hard serve to cut off. Like.
Yeah, but there's nothing wasted in it, and again it puts
Play over.
it's
10
kind of
serving
trapping
5.
Ceannais right at the back of the court. So even if she just pops it up, it gives Martine an opportunity to run onto it. She leaves it off the back wall that time, but Aisling goes and drives it down the right. Aisling's starting to get a bit of confidence into her game, Ollie.
Yeah. That was a good shot from her there now.
Good shot, and she's serving very well.
11 serving 5.
Another good breaking serve there, Ollie.
Yeah, setting up
Good
Martina
finish.
lovely.
That's exactly what a breaking serve can do. Just produces weak returns.
12
and
serving
Martina
5.
ended up with those opportunities. So Aisling puts it down the right and
Play over. Check the
catches
ball.
one in the back for her trouble. This is all Limerick so far, Ollie.
Yeah, go. Want to be careful now. They don't want to get Limerick any more of a lead now. Or
12
else this match is
serving
gone.
Galway
5.
were 5-1 up.
Yeah, they started very strong in the second game. They started cutting off the ball, but they seem to come back to leaving Martina inside like that now.
Can't
And when
leave
you're
her.
leaving Martina at the lines, she'll power it up.
Devastating.
She'll murder that ball all day.
13
They
serving
need to push
5.
Martina back, fly the ball, push Martina back a bit.
They're having a hard time with this serve from Ashton though. This is Martina goes for it.
1 hand off.
She laughs at herself because she tried to drive one down the left hand court. She probably wasn't in a position to do
13
so.
serving 5.
13-5 up in the second game. That's a great serve. That's the serve of the match, Ollie.
Yeah, great toss. I thought it was, and Sienna thought it was going to come off the sidewall for her,
14
but it
serving
just went
5.
parallel to the back
Unbelievable.
wall. It's a very good serve. She's going for it again.
These breaking serves are causing Galway awful trouble. But that's a good deep shot from Ceannais. Ceannais goes to her overhand, tries to pin Martina back, trying to move her around.
Chance for
And then
Sienna.
goes for the
She went
corner.
for it.
Yeah,
She was just unlucky there. She had to hand her.
it's got to be a
15
very good
serving
shot
5.
from 58 feet though.
But she had all the hard work done and the setup was there.
Yeah, another good breaking serve from Martina. Ceannais digs out of the left-hand corner.
Now, big setup here for Ceannais. What's she going to do? Oh, it's unlucky. I suppose sometimes when you have too much time at them, Chris, you rush them, don't you? It's unlucky there.
And when you're so far behind, you feel like you have to do something special every shot. And in reality, she just needs to be more consistent with that. But Ceannais drives it back out into the left-hand corner. Martina tries to leaves there for the fly, but sets up Martina on the left-hand side.
Oh, chance for Ceannais. That's a
good
lovely shot with the kit dog off the shoulder. That's some shot, Chris.
That's a class shot.
Look at that. She let it drop, and that's
5,
dexterity
7,
there. That's
16.
lovely to see. Lovely shot. Now, is Aisling going to pick this? She does. That's the shot from
great
Neve.
shot.
That's the shot. The corner kill off the fly, Chris. That's what Galway have to do to get back in this
6,
match.
serving
They have to
16.
take the game on the fly to Limerick.
Galway drive it out onto the right side. Just pop it around. Ashlyn's there. Ceannais puts it around the house.
It's a great shot from
Martina
Ceannais.
read
No,
it
she's
really
set
well.
up here. She's going down the walls. Good serve, good shot. Now a chance for Ceannais. She's going to go for it.
Then a long way out to go for it, but
She went for the second one, the harder one. That was
yeah,
the
she-
harder shot to go for, I thought.
She was, and
Second
she
hand,
wasn't really
6,
set up. Her
16.
footwork wasn't set up to go for that right-hand corner. She kind of was facing directly at the front wall when she was laying the ball across her body. But now, can she get a serve going? It's a better serve from Ceannais.
That's the right shot from Neve. It's a good shot. They have
Side
to go for
away.
it like that. Pull on the fly.
16, 6.
So Limerick 5 points away from a senior doubles title here, as Aisling doesn't catch the sidewall
Well, she didn't want to go for it again because she caught it with her glove the first time, so
again.
it was fair enough.
It was almost like a present.
17.
Sometimes they're sitting there almost too easy for you, Ali.
Yeah.
So Aisling breaks off the sidewall this time. That's a really
No,
good
good
serve.
ball dropping. Good pick from Ceannais.
Well picked.
That's good play from Neve. Great pick.
That's a great pick. Martina did well to recover that as well. That's an opportunity for Ceannais. She doesn't take it. And that's
Unlucky. She was in the right
there.
spot. Unlucky, no.
again the hard work done being from Limerick inside that.
18.
Aisling running that ball down, keeping with the serve. Gotta say, Aisling has been very impressive in this second game. Opportunity for Martina. She drives it down the left. That's a great 60-by-30 shot. Hits it with power,
Yeah.
driving all the way to the back wall. Doesn't come off the back wall.
19.
That's a great shot. And this Limerick are waltzing their way to an All-Ireland senior doubles, Ollie.
Yeah, waltzing Matilda. Neve is just back from Australia, and so a chance for Martina again, going for the corner. Neve is there, though. She read it well
That's a
there.
really
That's a
good
great
shot.
recovery shot from Neve.
One
Neve
hand
not
off.
really a big court player, but she decided to play this year. So it's her first time
19, serving
in
6.
the big court, and she's doing very well.
So Martina drives off that Ryan Sidewood into the corner. It's a great serve.
Great serve. Oh, it's hard
Great
to,
serve.
it's hard to do anything with that, Chris.
Yeah,
20. Game ball,
Martina
serving.
showing all the
6.
skills of reasons why she won 4 senior titles, won the last 2 Irish nationals in the 60-by-30 in the women's division, and why she would probably be the hot favourite for the All-Ireland senior singles this year, with Katrina Casey being out of action, still injured. They've had many battles, but Martina driving Ceannais into the back court. As Ceannais pops that up, what will Martina do? She goes for bottom. Aisling drives it off the left hand side wall, putting Ceannais in all sorts of deep territory.
Cut off for Neve.
Aisling drives it in.
Aisling is missing nothing, Chris.
She's been excellent this second game.
Very good.
And Martina, long rally, must be 15 shots so far, and it's going to be a reserve. Limerick will have the opportunity to serve it again. Galway,
play over.
so one thing Galway didn't want.
20, game ball, serving 6.
So Martina goes to an overhand 2-all pass.
Good ball dropping.
It's a horrible serve to dig out of the left hand side, and Ceannais does really well with it. And then she goes again. Now Aisling with an opportunity, but she plays it safe and drives Ceannais into the back wall. This is a setup for Martina. She goes for it.
It's not like her.
It's not like her.
She'd be vexed at that.
That is probably one of her favourite shots.
Yeah. 6. She threw the eyes up to heaven. She looked out to her coach and she threw the eyes up to heaven.
So Neve goes to drive down the right. Again, Martina taking control of this game now. And that's a hand error from Ceannais again.
One hand off
that back wall. That ball feels like it's hanging for an age, Ollie.
Yeah, it's not like Ceannais to miss off the back wall though.
Yeah.
6 serving 20.
I suppose pressure. I suppose it's pressure too. Yeah.
So Ceannais 6-20 down. Can she get a few scores? She drives it off the right hand side, but doesn't get it deep enough.
That's
really.
a lovely shot from Martina with the spin. That's a great cut off from Neve actually.
Aisling does really well to cover in beside her.
And up into the rafters.
Yeah, again a good shot from Aisling. She drove that deep into the back left hand corner.
20, game ball, serving 6.
Now what do you think, is Limerick going to finish it in this inning?
The way Aisling's been serving so far. That's a good
ball.
serve
that's
again.
Good ball dropping.
That's the match.
Second match.
Limerick are the All-Ireland Senior Doubles champions.
Yeah.
That's a 2025.
That's a great win for Limerick, and Aisling, senior doubles champion.
Fantastic performance
for
both players.
And you have to hand it to Galway too for interim. They don't usually play 6x13. You have to take your hats off to them. You know.
They had a brilliant win last weekend. Again, I think more time in the 60x30 and playing that type of championship a little bit more often. Is going to be really good for them. They were fantastic.
They proved they can play, they can mix it, you know, and I think
I gotta say Aisling really equipped herself well. Maybe as she got into the game, especially in the second game, she was a lot more comfortable. She served brilliantly. So to step up from junior handball into play wing woman for Martina wouldn't be easy, but you know, what a player to play doubles with, Ollie.
Oh yeah. We're going to have a quick break here, and we're going to get Paul Fitzpatrick to and our president Conor McDonald to say a few words and do a presentation. Conor's going to be he's going to have a couple of more events, and he's going to stand down on our new president.
Yeah, Kevin Cook will be starting next February.
Deadly stuff.
So, gotta say, handball has been on a very much an upward trajectory under Conor's stewardship. So I'll hand you to Paul.
Okay, fantastic ladies senior doubles final. I'm sure you'd all agree, a very high standard. Now I'm going to hand over to Uachtaráin Cumann Liathróid Láimhe, Conor McDonald, to make the presentation.
Gur míle maithagad, Paul. Fáilte romh go léir go dtí an Ionad Náisiúnta Liathróid Láimhe ag Páirc an Chrócaigh. Bhí an tlaithe sin an bhaith ar fád, ach bhí Luimneach an lodger inniu. Bhí an réitear Frank Daly an bhaith, agus Lán Buicas leis Frank inniu. Ladies and gentlemen, you're all welcome here again to the National Handball Centre for the Ladies Senior Doubles Finals in our softball, our traditional sport. There was four girls there from Galway and Limerick that gave it their all in there today. I know Limerick were really on song and actually very strong today. In a big cally like this, 60x30, as we all know, it's very easy to find yourself in a bad position. And Limerick certainly took advantage of that today. And there was some great shots played by both girls, and indeed it just wasn't Galway's day today. But Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for the runners-up, Galway. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the winners from Limerick, come forward, please. Thank you.
Okay, folks, we'll just ask you for your attention, please, for another few minutes while we get a few words with the winners here from Limerick. We'll start off with Aisling, because, Aisling, this is your first All-Ireland senior medal. Martina is an old hand at this stage, winning All-Ireland medals. How does it feel to get your hands on an All-Ireland senior medal?
God, it was such a relief. Anyway, I was, I think, more nervous than anything coming in this morning. But yeah, no, such a relief now that it's over.
And you played really well on the day, but you were lucky as well to have such an amazing partner there, Martina McMahon, she won't mind me saying, one of the all-time great handballers that we've seen. What's it like to be in the court playing with a player like Martina?
Yeah, no, it's great. Like, if there's ever a ball gone behind me, I know she's there anyway.
And yourself, Martina, for the last good few years, you've been competing at the business end of singles competitions in the Worlds, in the 40x20 and the 60x30, in the one wall. But now it must be an unbelievable feeling to win a double senior All-Ireland medal with your club and county mate here, Aisling.
Yeah, 100%. Look, it wasn't the prettiest of games now as handball goes. But sure, yeah, look, I was delighted that Aisling was willing to play in the big LA doubles, and I suppose it's the first senior doubles title for Limerick. So I suppose it's good to go down in the history books for that. But yeah, look, I have the handy job. To be honest, I just can't thank Aisling enough for playing. I never thought I'd get a senior doubles title, so yeah, I'm overjoyed now today.
You're after winning the Irish Softball Nationals in Wexford, Martina. You're after winning the senior doubles, obviously, here with Aisling. So the next step for you is the senior singles. So I'd imagine maybe a day or two off and you'll be going straight into training for that.
Yeah, I will. Look, I wasn't really thinking about the singles. It was all about the doubles for now. But yeah, sure, it's kicking off next weekend. So yeah, looking forward to it starting now, and we'll see how the championship goes.
Okay, give it up for the senior doubles champions from Limerick. Okay, we'll just get a little bit of cueness, please. Next up, we've got a very eagerly awaited match. This is the highlight of the doubles calendar in our traditional softball game here at the home of handball in Croke Park. This is the men's senior softball doubles final. We're now going to introduce the players. First up from the Mullingar Club in Westmeath, we have Colm Jordan, a native of Fermoy in County Cork, now playing his handball for Westmeath. And his partner needs no introduction, the All-Ireland Senior Softball Singles Champion. Put your hands together for Colm Jordan and Robbie McCarthy. Likewise, their opponents need no introduction. Anyone who follows handball will be aware of the exploits of these two men. From the famous Kells Club in County Meath, the 4-time All-Ireland Senior Doubles Champions in the softball code. Put your hands together for Gary McConnell and Brian Carroll. We'll now hand over to your match referee, Gavin Buggy.
Okay, so eagerly awaited is what Paul said, Ali, but this is going to be an absolute cracker to the final 60 for the final 60 by 30 players in the country, and first appearance for Westmeath, but the Meath lads, current champions, probably slight favourites in this, you'd have to say.
Yeah, I wouldn't say slight favourites, because Robbie's just, for me, Robbie's. It's a big statement, but I think he's one of the best ever to play the big court.
I don't even think that's a big statement. He's clearly one of the greatest ever, if not the.
I think so. I think he's the best ever to put on.
His array of shots is, I don't think anyone has them like.
Oh, the stuff that man can pull out, like it's you're just not expecting it.
But
I'm looking forward to seeing him here today now, and. Then you have Brian and Gary, like they're great doubles. Like I
think I'll have to double check now, but I think if this could be Brian's 10th All-Ireland Senior Doubles title if he wins today.
Right. They're a great team. Brian he's good to left and right. He'll flatten the ball, stone dead with any hand off the back wall. He's a great partner to have. And then Gary is magic too.
Best of 2 games of 21 aces and a tie break of 11 if you need it.
Experienced referee.
Westmeath to serve first. 0-0.
Good serve from Colm straight away.
This would actually be his 11th senior.
And Colm took first blood. That was great.
Colm
shot. Put the ball around the wall, and a lovely serve, and he took his chance.
1-0.
Off the sidewall. He murdered off the sidewall. That's a good start from Westmeath. Lovely spin off an overhand spin shot for Gary. Gary makes it look so easy.
Already
Robert's chasing it down.
That's
Look
a
at
great
that
shot.
That's a
gotta
great
say
shot
that's an
from
unbelievable
Gary.
pass from Gary there.
Lovely shot from Gary.
He moved in quick, and he just, the way he
Side away.
just got enough under, enough backspin on it just to cut off the sidewall. It's unbelievable. So
that's a good shot as well. Clipped off.
That doesn't. You don't usually see Robbie kind of reaching like that.
No, he didn't start yet.
One player
maybe
won.
A small bit nervous at the start, but when Robbie starts, it's a good night.
Brian going for.
Well left from Colm. Lovely spin off the wall.
Play it again. Play it again. Cover ball.
Gavin Buggy says play it again.
One player won.
It's a cracker from the start, Chris. This is going
to be unbelievable sight. Robbie pushing Brian into
Brian
the deep
going for the kill from deep court. Lovely shot. Just fell short, about an inch, half an inch short.
One hand out. One play one.
Gary, after his Nationals win a couple of weeks ago in Wexford, was saying that he's targeting the senior
Play it
singles.
again.
That was clearly a
Cover
replay.
ball.
He's targeting the
place
senior
to
singles.
one.
It looked like he's got himself in unbelievably good shape the last couple of weeks.
Great shape, and he's targeting Colm.
Colin pops that up.
But Colm is well able. So it's an interesting battle with Colm and Brian now. Brian is inside Colm, and that's where you want to be. Look at that! Look at that there, Chris. He stood his ground. He parked inside Colm, and he went for the kill.
Yeah,
Kind of stopping Colm taking the shot. So that's where you want to be for doubles.
That's a really good serve as well.
Mark.
Again. Yeah, Brian getting inside the column is
Three play one.
going to be a really interesting key part of the game here. So, as Gary drives that down the left.
Awkward ball.
It's a dirty ball. It just caught the sidewall.
Side out. Two hands out. 1-3.
So
Colm going for the
Colin
overhand
going
toss.
for an overhand
Trying to
toss.
drop it low down top of Brian, but Brian's seen it before.
Yeah, that serve wasn't going to give any problems to Brian.
Chance off the back, what? He goes first and
Great
gets it.
shot.
That's a lovely shot.
Brian
Brian is one of the few players, like he can take it with the left, he can take it with the
One
right
hand
off the
out.
back, what? And he
1-3.
can flatten it stone dead, Chris.
Gotta say, Brian has started really fast this game so far.
That's a good serve. Very good serve.
Mark. 2-3.
So Westmeath moved the needle a bit. It's 2-3. And one catches the sidewall.
That's a very good
That's
serve
an
from Robbie.
opportunity.
Robbie needs to be taking his kills now when he gets a good serve like that.
See Colin.
He's not
again.
killing the ball yet, Robbie. He had 3 chances there. But once he starts, Chris.
Fair kick to the left off the backward shot. Robbie did well to pick it up.
That's great control. That's great control here. Just a big rally, Chris.
So both teams driving the ball deep. That's going to come to Gary. Is Gary going to play? He drops into the corner. It's a great
Lovely shot from Gary.
Beautiful. Great technique from Gary. He just floated into that front corner. You see it here, just flat.
Side out. 2 hands out. 3 in.
Robbie
2
had to
out.
take the long way around. Gary stood his ground there too, and he had to go around him.
Opportunity for Gary off the back wall here. He does the same. He flattens it. That's what Meath have to do here. Put the pressure on from the start and go for kills.
Meath are really up for this game.
4-2.
They've some experience, haven't they? The two Meath boys playing together. That's a bit loose for Gary.
So, as Paul said in the preview, they're going for their 5th title today, I think.
I like what Colm is doing there now. He got inside Brian that time and he stopped Brian from flying the ball. There's a lot of off the ball stuff here now, fighting for position.
Robbie goes for the fly kill, but just pinches in. Doesn't make it.
Yeah, Robbie hasn't settled yet now.
5-2.
So, Brian going for a Z toss
great
into
shot
that right hand side.
One hand out.
That was a great shot from Robbie. Gary
Yeah,
just got in his way and he half blocked him. And
5-2.
Robbie read the
He
shot
still
well,
used
like.
him, didn't he? So, Colin Jordan drives it down the
Replay.
left.
In the ball.
And foul serve called. I'm not sure.
Brian, I think it just clipped the top of Brian's head.
Okay.
2 serves coming. 5-2.
So, Gary going for a power serve.
Now, a big chance here for Robbie. What's he going to do? Goes for the pass. Brian is there.
Can't leave it in front of Brian like that. He'll put them away all day.
Mark. 6-2.
Gotta say, Meath have started very well here. Looking very comfortable. Gary with the opportunity off the left, he puts it around the walls. And Gary
went
to
for it.
float it in. Just pops up.
Side out.
Westmeath the chance.
2 hands out, 2 in.
Going for the overhand
6
toss
out.
again. Yeah, he's going to try and float it down to Rob. That's a good spin on it. That's a lovely
serve.
spin. It looked like he was going floating it down to Brian, and he switched it.
Mark.
That's a lovely serve from
3-6.
There's a spin on it, so it's hard to cut it off, and you can't move inside that dot, Chris, in the sidewall. That's lovely.
Oh,
Pick
that's
from
a great
Brian.
shot from Brian.
That's one of Brian's best shots. That's the best shot of the match so far. That's a great shot.
Just did well to keep his eye on it. He was dropping deep,
1
and
hand
you
out,
see on the camera here
3-6.
a late shunt at it, and he just got enough to
Awkward
get
ball
on.
dropping. Oh.
But that's so Robbie drives it around the walls. So both teams pushing each other around. That's an opportunity for Brian. Drives it 2 all outside the lines. Brian going back to retrieve it with his left hand. And opportunity for Brian again. Will he go for bottom? He does, and he flattens it.
Great shot.
Meath are absolutely flying here, Ollie.
They're up for this game. They're up for
All
the
the
game.
kills are coming
Side
from
out.
Meath so far.
2 hands out, 6-3.
So it's 6-3.
Before I forget now, big shout out to Ziva. She's home today and she's watching from Westmeath. Big fan of the handball, so big shout out to Ziva there in Mullingar.
Gary,
1 hand out, 6-3.
bit of a hand error there, just kind of got his feet all muddled up, which is unusual. Gary drives it back out. Opportunity for Gary here. Will he go for it? Drives it down the right, but Robbie's there as it breaks.
Big rally here, Chris.
Gotta say that the Meath team are playing more as a team than the Westmeath lads so far. I gotta say,
Good
it's a
rally.
good pass from Gary.
7-3.
Nice fist around that. And that's a great
Go
shot.
for the kill. That's a great corner kill from Gary. The Meath boys are up for it.
They're
Mark.
up for it, and they're hitting great kills.
8-3.
So, McConnell driving it down that right hand side and putting Colin under all sorts of pressure.
Set up for Robbie here.
That's a good return from Gary as well.
Play it again.
Brian
Cover
all
ball.
over the place there. But you can't go through the man, Ollie.
No,
8-3.
it's a good spin. It was a lovely spin shot for Robbie.
Pinner
there.
ball.
Just kicked off the front wall.
Yeah.
But there was a bit of
Two serves
handicap
coming.
stuff there, wasn't there?
Yeah, but it was still a fly opportunity for Brian. and
It was, yeah, I
he
suppose.
it was sitting up for him, so Colin being in the way was convenient for him.
8-3.
That's going to be a reserve again.
Hinder ball.
Gary trying to
2 serves
go
coming.
with the aggressive underarm serve that he was doing at the Nationals.
8-3.
Driving it down the right hand side. It's an opportunity for Gary. Will he go for bottom?
He went for it,
Went
but just
for it.
hand
Side
her.
out.
Yeah.
Just a hander there, but he was going for it.
Two hands out.
And Colin go to this overhand serve.
3
again.
in, 8 out.
No, he's going underhand this time. But that's a bit loose.
Oh, it's a great shot from Gary.
Yeah, there was a bit of cover, there was a bit of blockage there.
They
They done
were
well, they
wearing-
done well there. There was a bit of.
Three
They
in.
were wearing the same shorts, I
Yeah.
think, Ollie.
They were kind of wearing the same underpants there. They were that close together, Chris.
Play it again.
Gotta say, that was a good shot from Gary.
Three plays 8.
So Robbie looking very composed still. Only 5 points behind at the moment, but
It's a great shot from Robbie, twisting it.
Great covering from Brian.
But the Meath boys, yeah, they're really good communication. They're like, Brian goes for it. How did Robbie get that? Did he get to that today? Right, he looked like he was.
Two hands out.
He was there from this angle, but you could tell by Gary's facial expression what was coming. So Brian goes to his Z toss.
See the way Brian covers up there, like that's great.
That's again for any young lads or young girls watching doubles. That's what you want to see. They're dovetailing in and out. They're covering each other.
No, I never said anything.
Spaces that need
Somebody in the crowd, maybe. 9-3.
Again, a long way to go in this game so far, but you guys say Meath have started particularly well.
Replay.
That's going to be replayed.
Yeah, the shots are amazing. The spin shots, the overhand. There's everything in this match, Chris.
9-3.
Now, there's two schools of thought. Can Meath keep up this, keep up the kills all the way to the end, and do Westmeath have to be more aggressive in this?
That's a lovely
That's
shot.
a great shot.
That's what he does best, the paddle. Like
that little soft paddle.
One hand out, 9-3.
If Robbie starts with that, it's hard to stop him.
So Gary driving out. Brian. It's a great shot by Gary. Column's there.
And Robbie was there too. There's just a small bit of miscommunication there. Colum thought that Robbie was caught back deep, and
you gotta say that's an unbelievable shot by Gary.
Great shot. He saw the opportunity.
Hand over, kept the ball low off the fly. Sorry, Colin Jordan drives it to Gary.
Play it again.
That's going to be a replay.
There's a cover. It was before you went near it. 10-3.
Again, that's Colin under a lot of pressure here, Ollie.
Well, under a lot of pressure, but
11-3.
I think he was going for the kill off the sidewall there. He was unlucky. That's a good ball.
Unbelievable shot.
That's a lovely
What a
kick.
shot from Gary McConnell.
See, that's a great, and the Meath crowd are enjoying that one.
He read that so well. It clips off the sidewall.
Yeah.
Then just use that paddle that Robbie used a couple of minutes ago to flatten it in the corner.
You can see the strategy here. They're kind of, the Meath lads are trying to cut everything off and keep Robbie on the move.
Yeah.
They're trying to, if they let the ball bounce, Robbie will be on top of them. So you can see the
Loose shot by Gary. Brian.
That's a lovely shot.
That's a great shot by Robbie. Just see the way he opens up the hand there. So, yeah, it's a great shot.
Covered it up to his great camouflage.
Just opens it up at the shoulder, so it skips down the right hand sidewall. So Colin going, changing up the serve here.
That's a very good serve from Colin.
It's a great
That's
serve.
a lovely serve. He's such an array of serves, Colin, in the toolbox. It's very impressive.
Mark.
Sorry.
4-12.
Sure if that serve comes again, but Gary trying to cut it off. Very good. That's a
Lovely
great shot.
stuff.
Good shot from Colin Jordan. Just paddles that in himself.
That's
Mark.
good stuff.
5-12.
It's a great shot from Gary. As he drives it out. And another opportunity there. Robbie runs it down. That's
one hand
He'd
out.
be annoyed with himself with that now. He just caught with the ball. He was unlucky there.
Hard enough when you're 6'4" to get out of the way of those.
Play 12.
Oh, Robbie's gone back to the far side. What's he going to do with this serve? He's going to lift it. It's a good serve. It's going to drop awkward on the right hand corner. Now is he set up? What's he going to do with this? Brian is cutting him off.
Gotta say the positioning from Brian is really intelligent. So Gary McConnell off the back wall drives Robbie into the deep court. Brian pulls out of that one, but Gary's there to cover. Great shot from Brian. Again, hits it with the fist, shoulder high, and just kind of pokes it into that front corner. It's a great shot.
Lovely shot.
12 in, 5 out.
So, Brian Carroll going with the Z toss. Robbie cuts this one off before it gets to the corner. Again. Brian Carroll showing his speed to get in there. That's a great shot as well.
And Colin did well to get a hand to it.
Yeah, did well to get a hand to it, but like, again, when it's going at that pace.
13 play 5.
All one-way traffic so far, Ollie.
Yeah, that's a look at that.
That's a
That's a
great
lovely
shot
shot
from
from
Gary.
Robbie. Now he needs to take this setup. He's not taking it. He's not taking the ball.
Good pass as well.
I suppose he didn't settle yet. Oh,
The Westmead lads
a
are.
bit of miscommunication there. That was Colin thought Robbie was taking that one.
Yeah, they're falling out now. You
14,
can see
5.
that both. That's a couple of clashes. Their communication has been a little bit all over the shop. The pressure is high though. That's only going to give Meath more confidence.
One hand out.
It's a loose shot from Gary. It's usually one that
14 5.
So he goes.
That's a good return from Colin. Now, what can Robbie do with the setup? So I suppose it's hard to kill in front of Brian because Brian is so fast.
That's it. Now, you see Brian
But that he's so
really
fast.
early.
He's very good at re-killing too. So
Yeah, well,
it's a
that's
big risk.
all over the shop. That's really well run down
Chance
by
here
Brian.
now.
Gary's in the deep court. He'll return this. That catches doesn't catch the sidewall. Brian with his left hand. He drives it down the wall.
Great
Well
retrieving.
picked. Gary going with power down the right.
This is a big rally, Chris. This is great play.
Brian did well
Now
to
a
get a
chance for
hand on
Colin.
that one as well. So
Brian is set up
Carroll.
off the back. Well, is he going to go for it in the
That's
corner?
a great shot.
That's and his he puts up his hand. That's his signature shot. That's Brian's shot. That's his bread and butter right there.
What a shot.
Good rally.
Unbelievable rally.
15 play 5.
Gotta say, at 15-5, you can only see one winner here so far, but you gotta say that Meath are cantering away here.
Mark. 16 play 5.
Gary keeping the pressure on Colin down the right with the serve. This is an opportunity off the back wall. Will he go for it? He doesn't. He leaves it up off the back wall. An opportunity to fly the ball there and keep the pressure on. Robbie hasn't found a kill in a while as Brian drives it down the right hand side. Gary scoops out of the back. This is an opportunity for Robbie. Again, gets the lads into a long rally. As Gary tries to drop in the right hand side. That's going to be both teams. Gary tries to flick that one into the front court.
Great rally.
And I'm just watching
Well
the play
played.
there. He's trying to walk out the 2 men and keep the 2
2
men
hands
back.
out.
It's not easy. It's a not easy task.
5 in, 16 out.
Colin is doing his job here. He's serving very well. He's gone to the Kitog now serving. He's such an array of serves and like
He is, but
it's amazing.
he hasn't been getting any easy points either, though. Sorry. That's a great shot, but Brian's going to run that down. And well picked by Robbie again.
2 good picks there. Now Colin was there to back him up. Now it was set up for Brian. He's going with the Kitog this time.
That's going to be killed. And Brian is on fire here.
Brian is
Brian
murdering everything.
absolutely flying. This is the best
5,
handball I've seen Brian
16.
play in years. It's unbelievable stuff. Every opportunity to kill the ball, he's flattened it. And that's it. That's giving Gary confidence as well. Gotta say, this is a very, very impressive first game for me.
Side out. 16 in, 5 out.
So Brian goes 2-wall.
1 hand
Gary
out.
goes for the right corner, tries to flatten it, but just
Hard
didn't
up.
catch it right.
16 5.
And
That's
that's
a great
more.
shot. That's more what you need.
I think
from
Robbie.
Robbie.
That's what Robbie has to do. Like he has to go for it. Like
Two
because
hands
he's well
out.
able. Once he starts killing,
5 in,
you know.
16 out.
He's got to plan that ball opportunities. He has to try and take the wind out of the sails of the Meatheads. Now, it's an opportunity for Gary. He puts it around the walls.
That's more
That's
of it.
an
Look at that.
unbelievable
See,
shot.
that's the type of player Robbie is. He can turn it on when he wants to. Like
But this
Shot.
is where he has to.
6,
He has to produce those
6,
shots now.
16.
So, can Meath start working their way back in? That's 2 unbelievable shots from Robbie in the last two hands. Gary will go around the walls. And that's gone around the walls again. So, that's dropping
great
off the
spin by the
sidewall.
2 players there on the left. Look at that. That's great play.
That's a great shot.
Robbie's starting to hit form now. He's starting to something hit a switch with him now.
Yeah,
He's starting to play
100%.
now.
7, 16.
That's a
Great shot from Gary.
Beautiful.
Lovely touch.
The way
Just
he
enough
just
petrol.
The way he just
Shot,
stroked
Gary.
into that, just
One
kind
hand
of
out.
half a step, and
7,
then bang.
16.
Amazing handball.
Second hand.
It's a big serve from Robbie.
Robbie,
Awkward ball dropping for Brian. That's
Yeah.
a lovely
Mark.
it's
toss.
a great toss. He used the fist that time just to cut across the ball to make sure that it was spinning across the back wall.
8, 16.
So just trying the ball there. Sometimes the
Sorry.
perspiration comes from the fist stamps of the ball and the players sweat.
So Robbie driving it down the right.
That's good play from
Mark.
Colin now. They're putting him under pressure.
Yeah, this is good. This is good from Westmeath. This is much more what you expect. Maybe Meath have gone to sleep a bit, Ollie.
9, 16.
Yeah, it's hard to keep that pace going. Mead started off with an awful pace, Chris.
Yeah.
Like,
One foul ball, second serve.
it's hard to keep that pressure on killing, flying. And
That's a great shot by Gary, but well
Great-
run done
great
by
pick.
Robbie. Again. That's a
That's-
great
that's-
shot as well.
that's what Robbie
Much
has to
more
do.
aggressive
Yeah,
from Robbie the
yeah.
last 4 or 5 shots.
yeah, that's a lot
Shot,
better.
Robbie. Mark.
Robbie's starting to come into this game now.
10, 16.
So at 10-16, they're not out of this game. They've given themselves a lifeline, but a long way to go yet.
Oh, good ball.
Brian drives it out, giving Robbie an opportunity.
Oh, Brian went for it with the
Mark.
kit up,
It's the first miss.
and
That's
all of a sudden,
Time.
all of a sudden,
first
Time,
worried
dry your hands.
first worried face from Brian there.
You're breaking that service line before the ball crosses the outside line. Time. Dry his hands.
so Gavin Buggy just warned them there not to hit the ball before it crosses the line. Trying to cut the ball off on the serve.
11,
So
16
Robbie's
coming
just gonna
back.
dry his hands now, and he's starting to come in. He's starting to wake up, Chris. He's starting
Yeah,
to come into
and
this game.
You can see that the tide has turned, and all it took a couple of aggressive shots from Robbie, going for kills that he wasn't going for earlier on in the game. Like whoever's going for the kills is and getting them at the moment is the.
It's just
They're
so
the ones
hard.
dominating.
They have to be perfect for Brian and Gary. Like Brian is so fast, he'll re-kill it. So that turns any player off going from the kill, doesn't it? Like
But that's what was
Time
winning
in.
the game early on.
11,
All those kills that
16.
they were getting early,
that who was
that
Meath,
Meath
yeah,
were getting.
yeah.
That's what they have to go. They can't rally with them. So it has to be aggressive from both teams. That's what makes it so interesting.
Big
Gary.
setup here for Robbie now. Is he going to go for it?
Drives it down the right.
Set up off the back while he needs to start taking these.
It's a hand error from
That's
Brian.
not like Brian, no, it's unusual.
So
Mark. 12,
Westmeath have
16.
moved from 5 to 12
It's a
in
great
one.
comeback, Chris. Awkward ball. Is Robbie going to take this? He goes for it, but Brian
moving.
was there.
Another hand error from Brian.
Robbie really putting pressure
This is
down the right
getting
side there with
into
the power.
worrisome territory for Meath. At 16-5, there was only one winner,
Mark.
and Westmeath have clawed their way back in.
13-16.
13-16, all to play for. That's a big shot from Gary.
Look at that. That's a great shot.
That's a
great pick from Brian.
Oh, that's unbelievable by Brian. You can see by the reaction of the Westmeath lads, like, it's almost heartbreaking.
Yeah, and
Just
Robbie
the
was
spin.
there. Yeah, I suppose when you have to stick the ball out when it's beside you, Chris. But
Yeah.
Robbie was there for the re-kill. It was just unlucky. It was
Side
just
out,
unlucky
lads.
there,
16 in.
no. They had the hard work
13
done.
out.
Like.
No, Westmeath, we're in the ascendancy for the last 5 minutes. But
Replay.
That's going to be a replay. Ball just hit the top of the glass back wall, Chris, and it's going to be played
No,
over.
we've seen this plenty of times, especially in 6 by 30.
13.
When a team goes way ahead, they can lose a little bit of the zest for it, like, and the amount of times they've been clawed back in. So
Chance for
can
Robbie.
Westmeath keep this pressure
Great
on?
pass shot.
That's good running down by Brian. Opportunity for Brian now. Will he go down the right? Does.
Great pick from Colin. That's a big rally, Chris.
Brian Carroll drives it.
No, Colin. Is Colin? Yeah, he's going to push it back.
That's an unbelievable shot by Gary. Inside
Great
out.
retrieve, and Gary's in for the
Reed-
kill now. The
Reed's
fly
Robbie.
kill. Robbie's there for. How does
big.
Robbie get that ball?
And he
And
calls
he-
on himself.
Fair play to him. He called for it. He said he didn't get it. That's good sportsmanship there now. You could see Gary going in for the juggler. He'd
Good
Robbie
rally.
back, and
He read
he'd
it
call
so
him out of
quickly as
position.
well.
Well played, lads.
He'd call him and Robbie out of position. You could see he was
17.
going for the juggler.
Plays to 13.
That'll be a settler for Meath.
Chance for Brian now in the corner.
Goes Robbie moving particularly well now. Really settled into this, and that's gone up.
Great shot from Brian.
That's
Lovely
Two
pass
good
shot.
shots from Brian.
Mark.
Meath trying to push themselves over this first game.
18 plays 13.
So Brian drives into the left-hand corner. Opportunity for Gary. He puts Robbie in the deep court.
Robbie's going away from his kill again now. If he wants to stay in this match, he needs to kill the ball.
Brian cuts the ball off.
That's a good shot, but
great
Gary's
shot.
there. That's a great shot from Robbie.
Gary
No,
actually
chance
did
here
well
for
to
Robbie.
return there. Oh,
It's
that
unlucky. He
just-
went for it. He went for it.
Gary did well to put a hand on it, and he got the break just by putting a hand on it, in fairness.
Mark Harlock. 19-13.
So Brian 2 points away from this first game. Gary with an opportunity, he drives it down the left. Brian pushing Robbie in the backcourt.
Lovely
Go
shot,
for
but
it.
Brian is there.
Brian goes for that.
He let
corner
him off the
kill.
hook there. He was unlucky.
Westmeath, lucky. We'll be counting the lucky stars after that one. Just split in.
19-13.
So 19-13. Oh, that's a great shot. What time to break out a crack serve.
Nice time to get it.
Point.
Gary going back to the
20
old
to
style of playing the
13.
underhand.
He
Straight,
did this in
straight,
Wexford and he was excellent at it now. So
straight handball. Lovely touch from Robbie.
Brian kind of on his heels. You don't see that too often.
That's what
Side
Robbie
out.
McCarthy can do with the kid dog. He just took the power off it and used it to die off the side walls.
Now can Westmeath put the pressure on
13 in,
Meath one
20
last
out.
time? They've got to play flawless handball from here. That's a loose serve from Colin, but he'll get away with it the way it chopped up. Gary drives it around the walls. Will Robbie go for it? Oh, that's a great shot from Gary McConnell. Gary stepped in, flattened the ball in the top left-hand corner.
It was a great shot. He pushed Robbie back and then he went for the
One and
juggler.
out. 13 play 20.
Beautiful
position.
60 by 30 shot. No.
Chance now. Great pick. He's going for the juggler again, Chris.
That's a great shot. Okay. Gary taking control of this game, Ollie. That's a great shot.
2 hands out, 20, play
Again,
13.
got Robbie pushed back and he went for the fly. Brian is going to go
Brian,
for it.
will he go for it?
No.
He drives it down the left. That's going to be
Great pick. Gary's in there under
He's
it.
in there quick. Brian with the fly shot. Drives Robbie deep.
Lovely
That's
shot.
a great shot.
That's
He
a
just
lovely
feathers
shot.
into that right hand corner, Ali.
That's a lovely shot. He can just
Great
take
shot.
the pace of the ball
Great shot.
and push it
One
into the
hand
corner.
out,
With open
20,
hand, fist,
13.
hands up. That's lovely to watch that.
So Gary McConnell. Game ball serving 13 here. Drives it down the right. Floats it onto Colin Jordan. And did well to fly that as well. Committed to flying that, Ollie.
It's a
And
good
that's
shot.
it.
Good shot.
That's
Small
the
bit
first,
of miscommunication there.
that's the first game.
Yeah. That's the first game, and a cracker of a first game, Chris. You're going to go down and see, can you?
I'll find
Well
someone to talk
played.
to.
Yeah, good man. You make friends.
Okay, I'm here with Tyrone senior handballer Conor McElduff. Conor, what a first game. It was a full set of skills from both players. You think that they're running away with it. Then the next thing, Robbie just plays turbo handball, flattens everything for a couple of minutes. Makes you wonder, could they be back at it? Then Gary does the same. What's your thoughts of the first game?
I think it's serious high standard of handball, and that's why you love 6x30 doubles. It's literally one of the best games to watch. I thought Meath were going to run away with it myself there at the start. You know, Gary's been really steady, and then Brian wasn't missing. I didn't see one hand there from him until they got to maybe like 16. Gary was staying steady, trying to kind of outsmart, play around with Robbie a bit, and then I thought Robbie kind of came into himself at like the second part of that first game where he actually just started going for the bottom brick instead of trying to rally two boys the whole time. It's a big ask, and Colum's there, and he's getting a bit of drive in the ball, but
He served particularly well.
yeah, he served well and was able to fly a few shots and get the right fist on it to kind of bring Gary back to the left. But these Meath pair are they're just such a team. They're covering each other the whole time. Brian's got Gary's back, Gary's got Brian's back. The communication's amazing, and Brian just seems to be on form, killing serious shots. The back wall is just amazing, right and left.
Brian, in the first half of the game, he was kind of dictating the pace. He was going for big kills, kind of got Gary in the right mindset. And then as the game went, they were 16-5 up. Flawless handball. Robbie just turned it on big time.
Yeah, no, he did. That's what I'm saying. Gary was kind of being steady, not really shooting at the start, and Brian was hitting crazy shots. And then at the end, Gary really took onus. Kind of was trying to make a statement. It nearly looked like, I'm the best player here, and I want to get this first game over the line. And then Robbie playing really good stuff. I just want to see him a wee bit more aggressive this second game, because you can't out-rally them two boys. They always have each other's back. So a lot is easier said than done, of course, but I'd just like to see him go for it. The same as Colin, instead of overhand trying to rally the whole time, just take a step back and maybe shoot the right corner, try something, because the thing you're doing at the minute obviously isn't working. So we need to see some kind of change up in tactics.
I think there was a little bit of nervousness. They went from 5 to 13 in literally 10 minutes of absolutely unbelievable handball, and it was all down to Robbie going in, hitting that first strike, hitting those first strike kills as early as possible.
Well, that's the way Robbie's playing. Robbie will rally with you first, and then you're kind of used to Robbie hitting high two walls or passes, and then he has an opening there and he's going to shoot. At the first part of the game, he's going to outrun them, get them kind of to maybe stand at the back of the short line the whole time, and then there's a bit of an opening there to kill, because then his dumps came off. Whereas the start, he tried a few dumps, Brian was there and re-killing it. So, but it's a big ask, but hopefully we can get an even closer second game here, and I want to see these Meath boys tested. I want to see if they get to 19-all, 18-all, how do they respond? Are they going to be able to close it out? And let's just hope for an amazing second game.
Yeah, even though that was quite a close second quarter of the game, or third quarter of the game, getting to the last stage, it was close and it was nip and tuck. Got to say, it was very steady by Meath. They still won convincingly.
They did. There was still, Robbie went a wee run, of course, but Meath still just had the control. You felt as if once they got in again, they'd be able to dictate a bit. It's going to take a monumental effort from Robbie like that to kind of really stand a chance. And then again, as I say, I'd like to see Colin just step back and come off a few balls. Just go for it. See what happens.
Now, in last week's semi-final, Galway really went aggressive in the second half of the game against the Meath lads, and that brought them to a tie-break. You have to feel that that's the only plan now for Westmeath.
That's what I'm saying, that is the only plan. I'd say Robbie might start off again playing around the walls, get the feel for the ball, get kind of himself warmed up again into the game, and look to see Robbie really try and shoot, or maybe dump a lot of balls here at the second part of the second game. I just feel he has to. It's the only way they can really get the winner.
Are you going to call it?
Kells are obviously very strong favourites, but Robbie's one of the greatest to ever play the 6x30 code, and he is a champion, so he'll get Colin revved up here now.
Sorry, knows the answer. You can't call it.
Well, I think Kells, it's going to be tough to see Kells getting beat here. I just feel as if they're playing, there's such unity, there's such a good team. I
think the teamwork from the two Meath lads really stood out for the bulk of the game.
Yeah, that's what it was. They just have each other's back. If the ball's past Gary, Brian's there covering him. If the ball's past Brian on the right here, Gary's there to cover. It is great to watch. It's great tactics. So
excellent. Look, I'll lay you back to your seat.
Yeah, 100%. Cheers, Chris.
Okay, we're back live. And before I forget, Luke is down there watching in Mullingar, and he's coming to my game tomorrow, myself and Joe's final tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to seeing Luke tomorrow. And the great Chris Gavigan is back in the commentary box.
Meath to serve.
Your piece.
21. Away you go.
Yeah, so big hello to Luke and Mullingar. So game 2, Chris.
Yeah, unbelievable first game for Meath. Gotta say that they dominated the bulk of the game, but Westmeath, in the last half of the game, you got to show that they can. If they go aggressive, they are a real force in this game. So hard to call this one, Ollie.
What does the great Conor McAluff say?
He said that he loves being called Elvis.
No, I'd say he said a bit more than that, Chris.
Yeah, lots of good things to say about you, Ollie.
That's good. Did you say I was good looking?
No.
Oh. Okay, back to the game here, Chris. Big rally here again.
Okay, off the back wall for Brian. Will he go for it? Drives it down the right.
Great shot by Brian.
Robbie doesn't make it.
Robbie was there for it. He made it right, but he just rushed it a bit.
It was almost like he was expecting Colin to go back on that one, but in fairness, he's been calling most of the balls that go back into that right hand corner, so Colin didn't even budge. That's a great serve.
Good pick. Colin did well to dig that out.
That's good hands from Colin both times. Brian. So Brian going off the left-hand corner.
That's a lovely shot from Robbie.
Gary sweeping around and scooping on to the right side.
I'm afraid to eye blink. I'm afraid to blink, Chris, because it's
You
a
might
great
miss
game.
something
It's
impressive,
a great
yeah.
game. Look at that for shots.
So Brian goes for the Ryan corner. Doesn't get it. Colin scoops it back into Gary's path.
Chance for Colin now. Colin murdered that ball off the back wall. Gary's there now. What's he going to do?
That's gonna
Great
be a
shot
great
from
shot.
Gary.
That's
How did Robbie
unbelievable
pick that?
pick.
That's unlucky.
Just doesn't
Unlucky.
pick. As you said, it ran out of petrol, Ali. But what a rally. A long buster, if ever there was one.
2-0.
Gavin Buggy keeps this going. Brian going for
Great serve.
It's a great serve.
Chance for Brian now. Is he going to bury it?
That was a hand out, Brian. I didn't think it was going up.
Yeah.
I thought you missed it badly and it wasn't going up. I know there was spin on it, but I don't think it was going up.
Yeah, I probably have to agree with the referee on that one, but
Side out.
We're so far back here. 'Cause
0 in.
Brian was saying
2
it was
out.
spinning off his fist and it could have, I don't know, I
I
can't
don't
see
know.
it
I
from
think
back
he
here.
was right beside Colin, like, so.
Good communication from the mid, lads.
Again, good teamwork.
Big chance here for Robbie off the back wall. The left side is open.
Good pressure from Gary though, as Robbie was setting up. So he's kind of getting into his path, but not really, you know.
Sure. One hand out. 0-2.
Intelligent play from both players. Wow. It's Brian drives it.
It's a lovely
That's
shot
a
from
great
Robbie.
shot. That's an unbelievable
That's
shot.
serious shot. Look at this. He knows Brian is back
Yeah.
and he flips it into the corner,
Just
overhand.
flattens it as well.
Yeah, that's a lovely
How
shot.
do you do it? Like, it defies gravity.
Yeah, great
1-2.
spin. Great control. The Westmeath man. Chance for Gary. Overcooked it.
Oh, that's a great shot.
Wow.
What a shot
That's some
from
shot.
Robbie.
Even the referee, Gavin Buggy, goes, wow. That's some shot.
That's
Look at that. Plants in the
outrageous.
corner. Half volley, half speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just kind
That's
of
a
Together
lovely
at
pops
2.
up and he really whipped at that one.
When he turns it on, Chris, you don't know what he's going to do. He's serious handball. It's a great pass shot.
It's a great pass shot, but like Brian's position was really intelligent. He did really well to get in front of Colin there.
But I think he saw Brian going in
Yeah.
and he switched it. It was
Switched
a great
it
shot.
deep, yeah.
Brian thought he was going for the kill. He
3-2.
patched him down the right. It was a lovely shot.
It's again a lot going on in what looks so simple. As Gary drives it down the right, Robbie gives him the shout, and then floats out the back wall.
Mark.
Gary would be disappointed with that. That's a loose hand there. One thing you don't want to do is give Robbie McCarthy and Colin Jordan
4 plays
momentum
2.
here in any way, shape or form if you're Meath. As Robbie hits a deep
Great
shot.
shot
That's
from Brian.
unbelievable
That's a lovely
from
shot.
Brian.
That's a lovely shot off the back. Well, he's doing that all night, all day, Chris.
Shot.
That
2
left
hands
hand.
out, 2 in,
A lot
4
of people
out.
don't realise, but Brian Carroll is left-handed and he's playing on the right.
Been-
A lot of these left-handers are playing on the right recently, and they're doing a great job, Chris.
They're
I have
dangerous,
to say.
Ollie.
They're
They're
dangerous
dangerous.
men.
Gary pokes it up on the right. Robbie drops it. This is a little bit loose, and Gary makes him pay,
Mark.
breaking off that side.
3-4.
So,
That's a lovely
a great
touch.
shot.
That's a lovely touch from Robbie. Look at this again, Chris, in the replay.
Shot.
Pushes Brian back and then
Great
just
shot.
quenches it. to the
Two hand
corner.
or one hand
he
out,
just-
lads.
that's
Gary
rotating
serve.
there.
3-4.
That's really intelligent handball there.
Gary McConnell drives it down the right. And does it again.
Oh, what Colin was the right idea. He used the side wall to quench it. It was a lovely
Mark it.
shot from Colin,
Yeah,
but it
but-
just didn't come
And
off.
it's
It was the
together
right
at
idea.
4.
Yeah, but Colin's disappointed because that actually just floated up right into his wheelhouse. And he just got it all wrong with his feet.
Hinder ball. Play it again.
You can see by the frustration the way he hit the wall there that any mistake is being magnified tenfold here by the Meath lads.
4-4.
That's it.
Mark.
Very disappointed in himself in that one as well because he read that all
5-4.
wrong going into the corner. So maybe Gary's sensing a little bit of weakness there and putting the pressure on Colin again, trying to drive it down the right. But Robbie goes for the kill,
He's right
skips
though.
it in.
He's the right shot to go for. At this stage of the
6-4.
match, you have to go for it.
Can't give me too much momentum though. And that's
It's
a
a lovely
beautiful
shot from Gary.
Beautiful
Lovely
handball.
shot. Great control.
Shot,
Saw
Gary.
the weak
Mark
return and
it.
floated into the corner.
7-4.
Colin knew what he was doing, he just didn't get in fast enough.
This will be another opportunity for Gary. As he drives it in, that's
Lovely
an
shot.
unbelievable
Lovely
shot.
He killed that with purpose, didn't he?
Yeah, this is
Conviction.
a job.
8-4.
This is, gotta say, it's been phenomenal handball for the senior doubles final. Kills all over the shop.
Chance for Robbie here now. He's the 2 men inside. He's going for the push them out the back.
Late call from Robbie. As Brian drives it down the right. Puts the lads under serious pressure. Robbie trying
Mark. 9-4.
to keep spirits high there with Colin, who seems to have dropped the head a little bit. Oh, it's Gary.
Meath are really going for the offensive.
The way
aren't
he's
they?
been playing, that's an easy miss. Now,
2 hands out.
4-9.
4 in, 9 out.
So Colin going for a lob serve
Short.
down the right.
Second serve.
Oh, that's it.
You thank God for that one. He looked
Mark.
good.
I think Robbie's saying to him he has to break the serve deeper because that serve just popped up in front of
5.
Gary, and the way Gary's
Plays
going at
the
the moment,
9.
you can't be giving him easy returns.
That's a good serve
That's a
from Colin.
better serve.
Dropping awkwardly
That's a
for
great
Gary.
serve.
He's a great spin on that serve down the left.
Good
It's
serve,
very hard to
Mark.
fly that ball because she
6
kicks,
play 9.
dips off the left hand side, off the front
If he
ball.
does that again, I would see Gary floating, going in.
See, he
on
can't
top of
fly it because it's dipping. It's very hard
Play
to
it
fly
again.
that ball. And Gary's afraid to break the line too. Gavin is watching that line meticulously.
6-9.
He's going left-handed now. He's
Kid
changing
dog,
it up.
yeah.
He's going left-handed. Kid dog.
1 short ball, second serve.
Sorry.
That's a good serve too. Great pick by Gary. Robbie's there to murder it.
Oh, it's great.
Mark.
Gary was there. He got a full hand on it.
Yeah. These players, they can read each other like a book.
He made up so much ground there.
They play a
7.
lot together and they know each other's game. The only man they don't know is Colin.
7 plays 9.
Colin, it's so hard to read Colin because he saw Gary
Short.
going in there and he baited him. He'll switch the serve now.
Second serve.
So he goes. Colin Jordan.
That's a
drives
little bit
it around
loose.
the
That's a
corner.
bit loose now.
Shot. Yeah.
Chance for Gary.
And that's
Colin, where to
good
get his
hands
hands
from
at?
good hands from Colin.
Free
First,
play.
that's hit Robbie.
7-9.
Get the serve again.
Again,
Replay.
you wouldn't want to give Gary 2 more opportunities like that, would you, Ollie?
No, usually he takes the bun.
7 plays 9.
So this Gary trying to get inside Robbie. Defend.
Straddle ball.
That's a great shot.
Great
Well
kick.
done.
Great
Well
cut-off
returned
from
by Robbie.
Look at that for a cut-off. Now he's a chance now to do something with it. Down to Brian. That was it's interesting. Brian and Gary have switched. It's a great shot.
Great
recovery.
running by Brian.
Great recovery.
Robbie with an opportunity.
That's great
Catch
play. That's
the
great
sidewall.
play by Robbie.
What a rally.
If you watch that again, he pushed the two players back, got them to switch sides, and pushed Brian
Great
back and
rally.
went for the kill. That's genius play from Robin McCarthy. It's so hard to do that.
Dragging themselves into contention
8
here.
plays 9.
So Colin going for an overhand serve. Gary taking
Set
on
up
the
here now.
fly.
Is Colin going to go for it? He does, but Brian is there.
Robbie with the left overhand. Brian goes in to fly it. He might have been a little bit unsighted.
Mark it, lads. And it's together at 9.
Together at 9, Gavin Bogie says. Together at 9.
Hold it. Replay that. So the crowd are clapping. And you served it there. Replay it, Colin. 9 in, 9 out.
Lads are in a rush now, so there. Gary goes for the corner kill. Colin does well to dig it out.
Good call from Robbie. Now is there set up off the back wall for Brian with that kit dog again? No.
That's a great pass.
Brilliant pass. Great pass. Robbie's kill was a small bit loose, and Brian was there to murder it.
One hand out. 9-9.
So 9-all. Robbie going. Robbie was looking for a
Chance off the
2-wall
back
clip
wall.
there, but so Gary digs out of the back corner. And
When he
Robbie
went for it,
Yeah, he said he got the setup he wanted. And he
2 hands out.
just didn't get
9
enough on
in,
that
9
strike.
out.
So Brian is going to go back to the Z-toss. He's breaking into a 2-wall pass. He goes again, drives it down the right. Colin gets a hand on it. Brian go again. Opportunity for Gary. He hits it, 2-wall pass. Brian,
Lovely shot
Colin
from
with a
Colin.
left-handed corner
Lovely
kill.
shot off the shoulder with the kit dog. And Robbie was there calling for it, but
1 hand out.
took it off
9-9.
the shoulder. Lovely
Yeah,
shot.
shoulder high, cross court, sidearms. They'll take them.
And the
It's a great shot.
The Mead lads weren't expecting that. Now.
Gary again trying to force the mistake from Colin. He's standing strong at the moment as Brian throws into deep water. It's well dug out by Robbie.
Big chance here now for Robbie. What's he going to do?
Brian, that's a dirty one off that catches the sidewall.
That's the
Gary
flick
with an
again.
opportunity and he kills it. Yeah, that's again another long busting. Long buster there, and Gary
10-9. Mark.
Colin went for it.
He went for it, and again, as soon as it caught the sidewall, you
11-9.
kinda knew it wasn't going to make Ollie. As Colin Jordan leaves it up in front of Gary. Robbie goes for the right hand corner. Opportunity here. That's a great pass. Robbie goes out and retrieves. It's around the house. As both teams.
Say it again. Contact.
There's a coming together there in the middle of the court as both right-sided players are trying to volley for position. As you said, Ollie, you can't take your eye off it.
Oh, you can't. I'm really enjoying this match, Chris. There's some great
Standards
rallies.
incredible.
Serious
As good
stuff.
a doubles final
Pinner
as
ball.
we might have seen in years. The standards are very, very high.
2 serves coming.
So Gary McConnell of the Kells Club and Leeds trying to retain their doubles
There's
title.
that crack serve again, Chris. He seems to pull them out now and again. It's the old way of playing, but it works.
12-9.
The old style.
Yeah, it definitely works.
Colin wants to have a look.
All the players want to have a look at this ball.
Yeah.
12-9.
I suppose Colin thought it's hard to Robbie to drive with the no gloves on. He's one of the few players that leaves the gloves off.
That's a great shot from Gary McConnell. He is on fire at the moment. That ball just left off the back wall. Look at him, he absolutely flattens it.
13-9.
Takes the opportunity.
This is a big opportunity for Colin. Can he get one back? No, he goes to pass. Robbie.
Awkward ball dropping.
That's a dirty
Good pick.
ball.
Brian's there though.
And he drives Robbie down the left. It's great teamwork from Meath. They're covering the court really well. Colin,
lovely
it's going to
flick
be
from
up.
Colin.
Can Brian get there?
Though.
He does.
Great shot from Robbie. Saw Gary going in and pushed him
That's
back.
a great shot.
That's a lovely shot. His great court awareness, Chris, there.
Amazing.
He saw Brian caught on the left and he saw... he
pokes it. Like.
Yeah, it was a great shot.
Side out.
He just that little flick.
Yes.
But he did really well to... it's very easy to kind of overshoot that and hit you off the left-hand side and leave it easy in the middle.
Robbie's asked to
try
the hands now again. Yeah, it was a lovely shot because he saw the boys caught inside and he just flipped it up and down. Great shot.
30 seconds now, lads.
So Robbie just getting a 30-second to dry the hands.
You want to drink anyway?
Look at the two good-looking men there on the screen, Chris.
Waiting for their own All-Ireland finals tomorrow, Ollie.
That's right, you're down in Crinkle and I'm down in Mullingar.
There's loads of All-Ireland finals around the country, so if
9 to Westmeath,
close to an All-Ireland final tomorrow,
13 to
make sure you
Meath.
go along and catch some of the action. Ballymore, Eustace, Mullingar, Crinkle, Roscommon. Colin goes back and he picks that out.
Replay. Check the ball.
So
9-13.
Colin Jordan leaves it around the corner. That's a loose shot. He's lucky. He's lucky where he was because that could have been flattened.
I think he knew he made the boo-boo and he got...
I don't understand why he's not trying to break it deep though.
Short. Second serve.
It's a little bit loose as well as Colin goes to the overhand.
Gary going for the kill.
That's a great shot, but Robbie's read it.
Play it again. Cover ball.
I don't know, Gavin, about
Cover
that
ball.
I think he's right.
No, he was bet.
We weren't supposed to do anything, but you couldn't hit it.
He didn't even get an opportunity. I'd be calling that.
This is a replay. 9-13.
Because you don't know if he takes 2 steps back if he moves.
Yeah, I don't agree though.
That's why you're not a referee, Ollie.
No, he was bet
One
there.
hand out. 9-13.
Sorry. Westmeath. Bad communication from Westmeath again. Westmeath under a lot of pressure.
2 hands out, 13 in, 9 out.
You gotta say it's not the most positive of chat as Robbie scoops that up. The opportunity for Robbie. Is he going to go for a bomb? Shot. He does. He didn't look clean, but he'll take
One
it.
hand out. 13-9.
So Gary drives it. That comes loose off the back wall. Gets a little bit of a lucky break with the corner. And Robbie goes for it. Skips it in, Ollie.
He has to go for it now because the game is getting away from
14-9.
Westmeath. So he has to take the bun. Chance for Colin.
That's a great shot by Gary, but Robbie's read it really well. Brian drives it down the left, and that's a winning shot. And neither really on the ascendancy here. They're going to push it all the way.
Mark.
Yeah, they're really covering each other. They're playing well together.
They're just a really solid team. And that's
Hinder ball.
going to be replayed and probably checked by Westmeath. So Gary McConnell.
2 serves coming. 15-9.
Trying to push into the latter stages of this game. Robbie's there, great.
Shot.
That's really well read by Robbie.
Shot.
That's so
A
hard to
little
do
bit loose
there.
from Brian. He hit a bit high.
Two hands
Gotta say,
out.
that's a great shot from Robbie.
That's so hard to do. It's one thing getting in for it, but it's another thing making it offensive.
So
Now, is this
9
game-
in, 15
can they
out.
salvage some of this game? Can they get back in the match, Chris?
yeah, if I was perfectly honest, I'm not that happy with that 2-wall serve from Colin. I think he could do more with it.
Mark.
But he got a point.
10 plus 15.
Hey. That's a better serve. And Brian pokes it up, forcing Robbie back into the backcourt. Brian
Lovely
goes for it.
touch. That's a lovely
amazing, amazing touch from Robbie
that's
McCarthy.
That's a lovely way of taking the sting out of it. And he's going forward.
Well played,
He's-
lads.
His
Point.
feet are different position. It's a lovely shot.
11-15.
They're back in the game, Chris. 11-15. There's nothing in it. Chance for Gary here.
Goes
Play
for
it
the
again.
corner.
Contact. Contact.
Colin,
It's a
I don't know
replay,
what Colin's
Colin.
asking for.
It's a replay.
Again,
11-15.
David versus Goliath there, I think, Ollie. But like,
Now this is loose here. Chance for Brian.
Gary scoops it up into the Ryan side.
That's a lovely
It's
shot
a
from
really
Colin.
good shot. Really good shot by Colin.
Colin is
Mark.
stepping up. He's stepping up to the game.
is.
He's stepping up to play. Fair play to him now.
12-15.
It's hard to play on the right hand side with these three guys. These three men play. Like, look at this from Colin again. Robbie's there. Oh, and he was unlucky there.
Robbie will be
He's
disappointed
unlucky.
on that.
One hand out. 12-15. Short.
Sorry, Gary.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you wanted to check the
Trying to
ball, Brian.
press up
Sorry.
on that serve as
12-15.
much as
Second
possible.
serve.
That's going to be a fair shot. That was a missed present, Ollie.
Yeah,
Mark.
Gary likes them ones.
Sorry.
Westmeath are not going away. They're back in this game. It's 13-15, Chris.
13-15.
That's another loose
It's
one.
another loose one. Will Robbie go for this one? He doesn't. Drives
Colin
it down
might.
the line.
No.
Big
That's-
opportunity for Gary. Drives it on top of Colin Jordan. And then goes for the corner.
Lovely shot.
Nice.
Lovely shot.
Beautiful stroke. Right, a quintessential 60 by 30 stroke into the corner.
Two hands out. 15 in.
textbook, Ollie.
13 out.
So Brian drives on top of Robbie. Both Meath lads inside the Westmeath lads for most of this second game. Gary with an opportunity off the backboard.
Oh, Colin took out the hand again. Now it's a chance for Brian.
One hand out.
It's
It's not like Brian to miss them, but
No.
I suppose Colin was cutting off that corner. In fairness, he was there.
yeah.
So Brian was trying to push it around him.
Yeah, he's trying to catch
15-13.
that sidewall out, but no, that's a loose serve by Gary McConnell.
That's a good pass
Brian.
shot from Colin. That's a great shot from Colin at a crucial point of the game, Chris.
Two hand errors from Brian, if anything,
Side out.
so again into
Two hands out.
so Westmeath
13
with an
in,
opportunity to
15
tie
out.
again to this game again, and put the pressure on Meath.
That's a good serve.
Brian goes for the corner, he gets it. That's what we expect from Brian in those situations, though, Ollie.
Yeah, he's
One
good
hand
at
out.
that.
13-15.
Robbie going for a 2-1 serve. Gary scoops it back out, but this will be an opportunity for Gary. He drives it on top of Colin, catches the sidewall. Brian with the drive down the right.
Robbie's done put in some mileage here.
Gary.
Colin back.
Gary read that so well. He moved so early for Ollie, and then just kind of feathered into the corner. And as tall as Colin is, he just couldn't get to it.
Yeah, I was too busy watching Robbie going round the
Two
court.
hands out.
He's moving
15 in.
like a
13
greyhound.
out.
As soon as Robbie left Robbie's hand, Gary was on the move. He moved so quickly. Now, will Gary go for the bomb? He doesn't. He drives it towards the left-hand side. That's going down the right.
Big set up here for Colin. Is he going to go for Chris in the corner?
He needs to go to the right.
He went for it, but Gary's there.
This is fairness.
Oh,
both
good
corners.
ball dropping. Good retrieving.
Brian with the drive down the right again.
Play it again, contact.
Contact, yeah. We played again. The referee, Gavin Buggy, said.
Again, leg sapping rallies here.
But like Robbie's not even out of breath. He's not. I don't know if he's even sweating. He's doing some. He's doing queer mileage in that court
15.
today.
Take the ball.
See, Robbie McCarthy,
Play
senior,
13.
sitting at the back, observing it all.
Enjoying it.
So, Robbie scoops in. Gary takes on the fly.
That's a lovely shot from
Brian's
Robbie.
moving quickly there, and he gets it. It's a great pass. He shovels it down the right. The ball bounced just past Colin. He was
Mark,
there. He just had to stick
16,
out his
play
hands.
13.
Just went a little bit fast for him. Brian driving it down that right hand side. And it's gone. He's taking
Great
the
shot.
kill away.
Me, they're starting to smell a bit of blood now, Chris.
Yeah,
Mark,
they're looking to drive on from
17,
here.
13.
And now they're only 4 points away from another senior doubles title. Gary goes for that bomb drift. And he's flying all around him at the moment, Ollie.
Set up for Robbie now. His kills are a bit loose. I suppose he's under awful pressure now. Another set up. He's going for the fly. Lovely shot.
Look at the way he
Lovely
just
shot.
floats into position.
He got Gary. He got Brian back, and he got Gary caught in the left, and he murdered it. That's a lovely shot.
That's unbelievable. How
One hand out, 17,
doesn't look like he's
13.
under any pressure at all as he runs
He's not
over
even
there.
breathing heavy.
That's
Great shape.
opportunity breaking off the right hand side wall. This will be an opportunity for
Big,
Brian. Will he
big
go for
chance
the
Brian.
bottom?
He will. He'll go for it. Big rally here. Big rally.
Gary leaves it to
Gary's
the back
got.
wall.
He's got Robbie
Plays
locked in.
into the Ryan corner.
Great spin. Now a big chance for Robbie. He's going to bring it out again.
Really well.
Lovely shot from Brian.
Got to say that was really well read by Brian Carroll.
Lovely shot.
Robbie was trying to draw him into that Ryan corner, and Brian didn't fall for it. He took it on the fly off the Ryan sidewall, and he absolutely buried it in the right corner.
It's a lovely shot from Brian up with the fist as well to kill it in the corner off the sidewall. So hard to do.
Oh, that's a great shot. That's what, when things are going right, Ollie, they're going right.
They're going right, yeah. Colin was
Mark.
there, but he just broke off the sidewall.
19, 13.
Gary McConnell hitting his doubles partner there. Brian saying he couldn't get any flatter if he tried.
Yeah, Brian's thin as well. He's,
Two serves coming,
he's that
19,
thin to one eye
13.
doom, Chris.
That's a. You have to run around the shower to get wet. Gary driving off the Ryan sidewall, giving Robbie
is
a
there.
chance to paddle it.
An awful pressure on Colin
Not
now.
making it. It's another point.
20.
This is
Play
match
to
point.
13.
Me trying to drive it home.
It's for
At
the marbles,
At
Chris.
15-13, you were thinking that they might be under a bit of pressure, but they've just ran away with this in this last group stages. Can Westmeath
Big chance
hold
here,
them
Chris.
back,
Play it
back
again,
in?
play it again. Court hinder.
It's going to be replayed to hear a crack on the door. Westmeath
20,
have to
13.
do something special from here on out, Ollie.
Play it again. Cover ball.
So it's going to be replayed.
Two serves coming.
And It's going for a crack.
Gary's
Colin
going
digs
for
it
it,
out. Gary drives it down the left side again. Pushes it.
Colin, let's
late
go. That's
call.
great. It's a great, good retrieving for Robbie. And how he got to that one.
Gary drives it down the left. Well read by Robbie.
Now a chance for Robbie. What's he going to do?
Robbie
Brian
trying
is
to
there.
do much. Oh,
Did Brian do well to get a hand to it?
I
Lovely
think
shot
Gary
from
would be
Robbie.
disappointed in that floated right hand overhand that he tried to put in the corner. Gave Robbie the
Side
chance.
out.
And Westmeath back into serve. There's
2
9
hands
lives.
out.
Now what's Colin going to do? He's going to go
At
kick over
13
again. No, he
in
changed his mind. He's
20
going to go
out.
back to the right hand.
It's one thing you don't want to see when you go into serve is changing your mind twice. But he's gone for a 2-0 pass. It's driving to the back corner.
Big fly shot coming from Robbie.
Gary
Pushes
falls
Gary
it.
back.
This will be an opportunity for Gary. Will he go for it? Drives it down the right.
It's a good shot. Now he's going to go for the return. Colin is there. Well done.
Well worked out.
Awkward
by
ball
Colin.
for Brian. That's an awkward
That's
ball.
That's
a great
really
shot
good
from Colin. Great recovery and great. He pushed Brian back there.
Mark,
I think the boys they have a job to read Colin because I'm not used to seeing him play.
14-20.
He's all the way down in Cork.
He has a long
So
way to go
they have a
now.
job to read Colin. And I'd have a job to read Colin because he's great shots. He's 2 amazing hands. Big chance for Robbie. Lovely shot.
Shot.
Brian was almost
Lovely
there.
shot.
That was a beautiful shot. He just look how much ground Brian breaks up there. Oof, he wasn't that far away.
He was not.
Point.
Ground eater. So Colin Jordan,
15-20.
15-20 up. 2 hands coming.
It's a good serve dropping awkwardly for Brian, but he's got it.
So will Brian go for this. He gets
Replay.
a replay.
Yeah, Colin happened to be in the area.
It's a big area.
Yeah, he happened to be in the neighbourhood.
Check the ball. 15-20.
15-20, Chris. It's not over yet.
Far from it.
Opportunity for Gary. And he takes it.
What a shot.
And he fifths
Gary
one.
McConnell.
Yeah.
What
Gary's
a
up for it.
shot. He absolutely
Followed it
ribboned
round
it.
and he went for it.
15-20.
Look at the reaction.
1 hand out.
Now. Brian going for the fly.
Awkward
and he
ball.
gets it.
Robbie
Robbie
got a
gets
hand
a
to
hand
it.
out, but it's
I
no
don't know
good.
how Robbie got a hand to that. That was a great shot from Brian.
Now Meath. 2 serves to come.
2 serves
2
for the
hands
marbles,
out.
Chris. This is for all the
20 in.
All the marbles.
15 out.
Cocoa Pops. Chance here. Is Gary going to go for it?
Drives it down the right. Robbie digs it out.
Chance for Brian.
Will he go for it? He drives it down the right again.
Great ball. Great pick from Robbie.
Brian hits it with the fist.
Lovely
Robbie
paddle
gets
from
it.
Robbie, but Brian is there.
Gary covers him and they find it. And Meath are the senior champions. Look at the reaction from Gary McConnell.
That's the senior champion. Good finish, Chris. Nice way to finish.
An absolutely warrior way of winning the game. Gotta say, a phenomenal performance from the Meath duo.
Great.
Meath win another senior All-Ireland doubles title in the softball code. This is incredible.
Great game of handball. Great game.
Unbelievable game.
Great game of handball.
Unbelievable game of
Just shake
handball.
hands to Brian's dad there. He's delighted.
Gotta say, Westmeath played brilliant stuff.
Yeah.
But on the day, you gotta say, Meath were phenomenal.
Ah, yeah. The 2 boys played amazing handball.
What a team.
And it was a great game. Very
That's
good.
it. That's a textbook way. If anyone wants to watch something back and watch how to play doubles, that's how to play doubles.
Great game of handball. Very good. Very good. There was rallies. There was fly shots. There was serves. There was everything in that game, Chris.
Gary McConnell is playing some phenomenal handball. You gotta say, Brian just stuck out and hit big shots when needed. Gotta say, performance from all 4 players was extremely high level. That was high level performance in the senior doubles that we might have seen in a couple of years.
Exceptional
Exceptional stuff.
Exceptional stuff.
And it's great to see aggressive handball coming back to the softball court.
Yeah, there was great play. There was when they got the opportunity, they went for it, Chris.
Yeah.
They took it in the jugular.
Okay, folks, I just ask you to remain in your
Hand it
seats
over to
while we have the medal presentation.
Patrick and Conor
An
McDonald.
unbelievable game of traditional 60 by 30 softball we're after seeing there. Give it up for the winners and runners up from Meath and Westmeath. We now ask all 4 players to come back into the court, and we'll hand over to Uachtar and Conor McDonald.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for referee Gavin Buggy. And once again, I want to thank our partnership with TG Carr. The games were streamed live on TG Carr. And of course, our partnership with McAV provides that quality product. We also have Stephen Markin doing our photography, and what a great job he does. And we make sure that we get the best advertisement for our sport across various media platforms across Ireland and the world. But back to the game that we just witnessed. I mean, fantastic. 4 talented players has given it their all today. And I know that Gary McConnell, fresh from the national win, you know, it's great to have him playing with the likes of Brian Carroll. And I have to say that I suppose they were consistently the best pairing on the day. But, you know, sometimes you can play very well and you can lose a game. Westmeath came back in there in the second game. And I suppose, you know, it could have progressed. But I think in the end, Meath did too much for them. But just a big hand for the runners-up, Westmeath. I'll just call on Westmeath to come forward. And of course, just before Meath, the winners come into the court to just talk about the Purcell Cup. It's repurposed there. It's there's such history attached to that cup. And of course, we're going to have the Duxie Memorial Cup for the singles. So again, I just call the winners, Meath, to come here for the presentation, please. Thank you.
Okay, we just ask you to stay in your seats. We'll have a word with the champions. I was going to say the new champions, but of course they're the old champions. It's a 3 in a row for Gary McConnell and Brian Carroll from Meath. Gary, how does it feel to get that 3 in a row? Get your hands on this cup again.
Oh yeah, look, it's every day you come up to Croke Park, it's and you win is a great day. So look, we're delighted to come up again. We knew we would have been up against it with Robbie and Colm today, but we had a game plan. At times it worked. Look, you don't know what Robbie's going to do. So we stuck to our game plan. We didn't panic when the pressure came on. So I thought we did well there in both games. Nearly the lads came at us. So look, I'm delighted to just get the win today. That's what we come up for. So happy out.
What sort of a game was that to play in, Gary? Because there was a lot of very long energy sapping rallies and a lot of good picking going on. If you were killing it, you really had to kill it.
I didn't do too much. Prime was doing all the running, so you might ask him that. I didn't do too much running. I'm not going to start now, so
You mentioned Brian there. What's it like playing with a man like that? He's got so many senior doubles medals. I don't even want to say the figure, but one of the great doubles players that we've seen.
You want the truth now, or will I give you? No. Look. I was delighted from day one when Tom retired. I was just over the moon. Over the moon. When Tom retired, just to get, all I ever wanted was one. So to get a few with Brian is just, it's brilliant. Like, you know, he makes the game look so easy. He does all the grafting on the right, and yeah, look, it's a privilege for me to play with Brian.
Brian. Gary says you make the game look easy. It didn't look that easy from the outside. A lot of tough rallies in that game. How do you feel after that, Brian?
Yeah, I don't think myself and Gary make any game look easy. Even if we're in control, we make it look difficult, in my opinion. But we stuck with it. We didn't panic. The lads are they're a serious combination, and just pay tribute to them. Like Robbie McCarthy is probably the greatest handballer I've played against or ever seen. He's a serious talent. And Colm there on the right is doing a steady job, and they're a formidable partnership. And for us to get over the line with them, it's great for us.
Big crowd here from Kells, obviously one of the famous handball clubs in Ireland, and they always come out in force. How important is it to get the win now? You've got such great support over the years from these fellas and ladies.
It's unbelievable the support we get from Kells, and we really appreciate everyone coming up today. We genuinely, from the bottom of our hearts, appreciate the effort that you all make. And when we're in playing and we hear the roar, it really drives us on. So thanks very much, everyone.
Okay, we'll give it up for the senior doubles champions.
Okay, and that's all from us at the All-Ireland Senior Doubles Final here in Croke Park. Congratulations to Meath and to Westmeath on a phenomenal performance. Also a phenomenal performance from Limerick. Congratulations to them on winning the ladies senior doubles title for the first time for Aisling and Martina. We'll be back in the next couple of weeks with the senior singles. Tomorrow there's loads of All-Ireland finals around the country, so I know if you go to the Facebook page there's going to be loads of you can go and find out where who's playing in your local club, so make sure you go out and check that out. That's all from us in Croke Park, so we'll see you in the next one.